you know, only for vibe. So they are going to vibe. But once the ladies get situated, we gonna let they do the introduction. But for right now,
see, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes silence can seem so loud. There are miracles in life I must achieve. But first I know it's starts inside of me. Oh, if I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can show. I see me running through an open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I used to think that I could not go on, but life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know. Baby, I love you. I never meant to hurt you. When I said I love you, I meant every word I said. I don't want you to believe anything else. Gave you my heart and not to no one else. Cause no one means as much.
and you don't know, ladies, we're still celebrating Women's History Month.
I know I made some
So any beautiful ladies in the chat that's tuning in today, feel like they got something special to say to someone or for themselves or promote themselves in any kind of way. We also got a call-in link, so we're going to drop that soon at the second part of the interview, right? But please make sure you look beautiful as the sun outside, because I will talk about you. All right?
I've made a change for you. And all this time I promise I'm never gonna hurt you again. The things I used to do.
Still in love!
All this time I promise I'm never gonna do them again. I know you're feeling like you can't do this anymore, but I don't wanna see you back and walk right out that door. Don't leave me standing with my heart up on the floor. I made some promises to you that I'm broken them before. Oh, I made some mistakes. Oh, I caused you some. I know I caused you some, but I know you.
Everybody in the chat right now, please share the live, share the live, share the live. Everybody in house too, please share the live, please and thanks.
I've made a change for you, and all this time I promise I'm never gonna hurt you again. The things I used to do. All this time I promise I'm never gonna do them again. I've made a change for you. All this time I promise.
All right.
I'm never gonna.
So after I made that promise to the girl, right? She never believed me, and she still leave. And after she still leave after the promise, you know what? After me tell her some promise me I go change and come back, she never believe me. But what go on in the night time?
I've been feeling lonely ever since you left me, baby. Missing you like crazy. Oh, I could
Couldn't you hold on to me?
Like we say, people, smooth sound the vibes.
How will I get through this? I've got nothing left to love again.
And if you love someone and lost someone,
Can live on memory.
and you can't get in touch with that person,
Told you left
I want you to go outside right now and sing to the sky, proud if you love and miss that person. Like this, you ready?
Oh, I tried, and I refuse to cry. I can't get over you. I can't get over you. Even though I tried, and I refuse to cry. I can't get over you. I can't get over you. I wanna say I'm sorry for all the things I've done to cause you pain. And I know you're feeling angry, and you don't want to talk to me. Your silence drives me crazy. Baby, I never dreamt that we could be this way. Do you think you could forgive me? Baby, forgive me. Baby, please. Yes. Oh, I tried. I refuse to cry. Can't get over you. Can't get over you. I'm thinking about you.
Ladies.
Girl, I miss you. Baby, ever since that day you went away, yes, I can't live without you. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind.
Like we say, we're playing for the people who miss someone. And for those people right now, watch out.
Yeah, you know. Only you.
Who always there on your mind? Tell that person right now, text that person right now and tell them. Ready?
Only you can make me feel.
You don't know this your boy Gallus J, Gallus Sunday Bodies. We're there every Sunday from 2 p.m. until, right? We just have vibes, I'm going.
Me giving. Girl, just like magnet, just steal your love. Keeps pulling me in. If it's a battle,
Manta, you there in a chat early.
to win. To prove
That me at talk about management.
so deep within.
I know I'm not a big foot rare, but that's so it go. Vibes with your vibes.
It's a represent longing for my baby to love me.
Right now, Manta.
What am I?
Yeah, more you do, Manta. You see like you're in the chat early? More you share the life to somebody, and when them join the life, them have to say, are you share it to them?
What am I longing for? I will unrelease the cure. When can we see each
Other again.
other?
Hey, girl.
When can we see each other again? I know that someone must be thinking about you.
Make we talk to the ladies right now. Like we say, we unwinding with someone right now.
Lady, only for you.
Let me teach you now to get back somebody who on the last right now.
What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever. There's no other like you. Baby, I know I hurt you twice. Promise.
Raymond, that me a talk about.
No, I know it's not nice. Promise I'll never go back.
And you were just, wait, me see what the person name?
Although you've got your choice, please make
Hear me say no milk. You see like, oh, you there milk?
I make my
Tell Sugar if come join the live.
only you. No one
What's up?
What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, there's no other like you. Baby, no one but you. Many a times I've tried it, baby, I can't deny it. I just can't live my life a day in this world without you. What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, there's no other like you. No, 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 no. Yeah. This is so special. I tell you, girl, for someone special. Living in
Everybody
my
in the
world,
chat right now in the vibes line.
it's only for you. The things that I do, ooh, baby. Girl, hope in your heart and let love through. Like every ocean shores where the rivers run to. Back to the arms of the cure where she wanna run to. Let me tell you for sure, you're welcome back to. Baby,
Ladies in the chat right now. I know some of y'all sitting at home lonely on a Sunday like this. But you know my name is Gallus J, right? And you know what the Gallus mean, right? But you see if you don't have a man for up on you on a Sunday, know it.
Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting.
What's up?
Anytime you need a lover, call on me.
In the chat. In the chat.
Speaking, call on me. Anytime you want to. Everybody!
One more time again. Right now, I want everybody in the chat type free Jacure. Free Jacure in the chat right now. Tell them.
Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart, yeah, you know. Speaking, call, yeah, you know. On me. Anytime, yeah, you know. Want to call on me, baby girl, yeah, I want you.
Universal sign of love. Love is the answer, my friend, and love is the only way. Yeah, true love we can find ourselves and call our true identity. You know? Love your brother, love your sister, love your man, the universal sign. I take it from here.
Love is much more to life than just words. Love is much more than to say you.
I want to chat a fight out Jacure. Remember saying no, I'm money my defending no, but a life is life.
Call on me, sister. When you love someone, love from the heart. 'Cause love is the start, yeah. Love is the answer for every question. Just ask yourself why. Love is the key. Open the door when they're closing your face. Love shows you the way.
Like we say, Smooth Sunday, you don't know how Gallus J go to the turntable, right?
You can find your way. Love me.
Ladies,
Much more to love than just for love.
love how the chat look right now. We're fully active. Like what's a shout out to everybody that's tuning in. This is Gallus and the Bodies. We're there here. We're live. We're fully up. We're active. Ready? We got some special guests in the building right now. Alongside the beautiful ladies that's always been here every Sunday. Ladies, Una ready? All right, ladies in the mic fully active, you know. Your time, you know. Take it away.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Thank you for tuning in to Gallus and the Baddies, of course. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Hey, guys. Happy Sunday. And welcome to Gallus and the Baddies. Today on Gallus and the Baddies, we have special guests from Nightfly here in the building with us.
Yes.
And today we're going to be asking them some questions and seeing what's going on with Nightfly and telling you guys all about it. So we'll have everybody introduce themselves. I'm Ciarni.
I'm Tim.
I'm Nija. I'm Jenny.
And I'm Jamil.
Yes. And Tim and Jamil are from the Nightfly app. And it is local here in Rochester as well as Syracuse at the moment. And I'm going to let them take it away and tell us a little bit more about it.
Absolutely. Well, first and foremost, thank you all so much for having us. We're excited to be here. Very impressed with the setup. I love the grass wall back here, the microphone. I love the whole setup. So thank you all for having us.
Thank you. That's all thanks to Jermaine back there.
Also, want to say Jermaine makes everything sound lit. Just his voice and the accent, anything he say, make it sound like it's about to be lit.
He is a host, so you know if you need to book him for any of your events,
Hey,
you know if you need to book him for any events, yes.
Collaborations on the way. But yeah, so quick run on Nightfly. So Nightfly is a brand new nightlife platform and membership club that helps people find, promote, and enjoy nightlife events more easily.
Absolutely.
So kind of think of nightlife, Instagram, but just nightlife. Like it's a rolling feed of all the dope events that are happening around the city from all the hottest DJs, promoters, and venues as well. And then we also have a membership club called Nightfly Plus, which is similar to, like, think of Netflix. Netflix, you pay that one monthly subscription and you get access to watch all the movies. With Nightfly, you pay one monthly subscription price and you get access to perks at all of our participating venues. And we partner with all the dope bars, clubs, restaurants.
And clothing brands as well.
Clothing brands.
I was going to say clothing brands as well. Yes.
Yeah, speaking of clothing, y'all hats is fire. Y'all got those made?
Thank you. Yeah, these are our brand new hats that we just released. It's
fire. I was looking at you because I could see your emblem from this side.
Yes.
And those are like y'all brand hats. They're fire. They look like some, like, what are those caps called? Like the Yankee hats?
The dad caps? The baseball ones? Or the dad
ones? The ones that everybody be wearing. You know, like
dad ones.
Yeah. They look like official. Like, it look like a Hornets hat.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, no, they legit. We partnered with Made by Mav. It's a local clothing designer.
Nice. Okay. I love that.
Everything's
What's the name again?
Made by Mav.
Yeah, give him a shout out real quick.
for sure.
Shout out to Made by Mav.
Yeah, you did your big one with them hats.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
Everything made from scratch. He didn't grab blanks and put a logo on it. Everything's tailored. It's legit.
You can tell a lot of detail went into the product for sure.
They really do. For sure. You can tell high quality stuff. You know, that looks awesome.
And then also, if you get your phone out, it's your hat, isn't it?
Oh yeah, there's a tech aspect.
Yes. So if you get your phone out and you tap the hat, why is it not tapping? No, it is
Go up a little bit.
Oh, go up a little bit. Oh no, go down a little bit. 1 second.
It's a tap hat?
It is.
So you don't need the camera. That's probably.
Oh, that's probably what it is. That's what's going. Never mind. Let's start it again. Ready? It's me. It's me. It's not the hat.
Okay.
All right. Then it pops up.
There you go.
You unlock your phone, and then the app shows up on your phone. There it goes right there.
Are y'all selling those?
Yeah.
Yes, they're also for sale.
They're available for sale. Made by Mav. .shop.
Okay.
Available now. Yeah, we got a few left. We did a launch party for it a few weeks ago.
Okay.
Well,
all right.
Sure.
Oh, so they limited edition.
Limited edition, yeah.
Okay.
A one-time run. We might run them back depending on how people are receiving them. Shout out Will. He allowed us to do our pop-up shop at his spot, Sidebar.
Okay.
Shout out to Sidebar.
Oh,
Yeah, shout out to Sidebar.
Them loaded French fries.
Those egg rolls.
Them jerk fries is fire.
All the food at Sidebar. And all the drinks.
Oh, the drinks.
Real quick, since we shut down Sidebar, sorry. Shout out everybody every Friday night. Sidebar, Friday Vibe, the Rum Boss Entertainment.
Yes.
Pull up down there Friday night.
Yes.
That's where
Every
you
Friday.
need to be. Yeah,
We
every
miss you, Rum
Friday.
Boss.
Yeah, we miss you.
Yeah,
Come
Rum-
in,
yeah,
pay us
Rum-
a
Rum Boss
visit.
and
Rum Boss, Nate, and Fire Boss. Oh, we are telling us you want a new DJ pop in. Me not say nothing. Carry on, ladies.
Me, right? Me.
Yeah, you can MC for you.
Yeah, me. I'm a DJ now, guys.
I love that.
Okay.
Getting into new things. That's awesome.
Let's
So-
go. New skill sets.
How they about to book you the DJ at the party, and then you about to be the content creator at the same time?
That's why I could do both.
Oh,
I could
shit.
do both.
Alright,
I could do both.
That's
Somebody,
next level.
it won't be me DJing the whole time. Maybe I'll have like a backup person.
Yeah,
You never know. But I'm saying I'm a DJ as in like the thought has just come to my head more realistically last week. So I'm not really a DJ yet, but I'm gonna be a DJ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try something out one of these Friday nights at Mix It Up Friday.
Okay.
Oh,
I don't know if
fire,
Malik
fire.
knows yet, but I said it.
Goodness.
Now he knows.
Okay.
Now he knows.
Now he
Boy.
knows.
You
So
want
yeah.
Fire Kids switch spots?
that'd be great.
Oh,
He
yeah.
can video as well. Yeah, I was gonna say he could be the content creator and I could be the DJ. You never know.
Okay,
So
okay.
Right.
yeah,
right.
shout out to that. So
Shout out to Mix It Up Fridays.
Yeah,
Eddie
shout out
Mangu
to- mhm.
every Friday.
and then also shout out to
Yeah.
their new brunch that they're holding there every they're gonna be doing it every 2 weeks. They
So
have
every other Sunday?
yes, every other Sunday. They have DJ Fire Kid and who I do not know the other DJ's
DJ
name.
Max?
No, not Max.
Max not the.
No, it's a-
Sunday.
Oh, the
It's a
other
different-
guy
it's the-
with the short hair.
Oh, I don't wanna butcher his name though. I think it's
I think,
Bont-
is it J Style?
no.
No.
Oh, I think it's like Bontillo or something like that.
Okay.
Bontillo, maybe. I'll have to. Don't fact check me on that. I'm gonna have to get that together. Yes, but either way, the video will be dropping in a couple of days for the brunch. Yes, I'll get the verbiage together.
But hold on, I got a quick question for the guys for the relating to the app. So you say it's for the local Rochester, or is it you didn't reach outside of Rochester yet? With it?
So right now we're in Rochester and we're in Syracuse and we're getting ready to expand to Charlotte.
okay, that's what's up.
Fire.
Little Rochester in
awesome.
Charlotte is what it
Yeah,
really
so-
is. Yeah, Little.
We had to bring it to Rochester first. Wanted to start in Rochester. Tim and I met actually here in Rochester. We both went to RIT together. So we wanted to make sure we brought it here first, kind of as a test market, get a feel for it, leverage a lot of warm connections that we already had, there. And yeah, then now expanding to some bigger cities, bringing more vibes to the people.
It's definitely awesome.
Thank you.
Nice. I'm gonna go download it as soon as we're done.
Yeah, same.
Oh, please do.
Because
Please do.
I was been supposed to download it when we went to
And use code CC if you download the app, guys.
Yeah, for sure.
CECE. That's my childhood nickname, so
Did you
I
order
thought I'd
food when you
remember.
went to the studio?
Yes, I did, but I didn't. And my bill was the biggest bill there, unfortunately.
See, you missed out. You could have saved a little bit of change.
I could have.
You said a lot of
I
big.
could've.
I feel like y'all should put emphasize on the app also caters to restaurant.
Oh, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Because I know we said it earlier, but because it's night flying, we talking about parties and all that stuff. It might go over certain people's heads, but people like me, you gotta put emphasis on the food part. So,
Yeah,
for
you
sure.
know, so they know that they're not just buying that app to go party or buying a membership. You know what I mean?
So, who
They
were some of the
discounted,
restaurant venues on the app?
So right now we got Taco Darrow. We have the Vesper, which is next to Sidebar.
I do like Vesper.
We have Swillburger. They have a bar and
Okay.
and arcade.
Guadalajara and Syracuse.
Guadalajara.
Okay.
I guess we can count Sidebar in there too because their food's fire.
Studio.
Studio, of course.
Studio.
Studio Lounge.
Studio Lounge. Yep.
Studio Lounge.
Studio Lounge. So-
Okay. All right. So, are you guys going to be adding more as the time goes on? Okay.
Oh, yep. We're constantly adding. One of our big pushes for this year was to get more venues on board. So we went from I think 3 venues at the top of the year to 15.
Oh, all right. Y'all doing y'all big one.
Yep. So that was a big push for us. So we'll be adding venues as we go.
Yeah, definitely.
And these venues and events, obviously, it's only catered to the night lifestyle.
Yeah, but we're also working on reimagining what nightlife means. when a lot of people think of nightlife, you think of drinking, partying, like all this stuff, which is part, but there's so many other aspects of
Go ahead, I'm
nightlife.
listening.
You know, there's, you know, if after you leave work and you're going for a happy hour, that's nightlife.
Yeah.
If you go out for dinner with your lady and y'all have a couple of drinks, that's nightlife. It ain't partying, but that is nightlife.
But
Yes, it
So
is.
partying
many
till the
aspects.
next morning is still nightlife.
And that's
So
still
if you
nightlife.
get some breakfast spots.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Still counts.
Exactly. Actually, we're with Toast Factory too. So if you want
Oh,
brunch,
yeah, Toast Factory, yes,
So
Toast
we're with them
Down
too.
near top. Oh.
Nah, for sure.
Yeah.
Even going to piggyback off of reimagining, think about like attire, clothing. That's a big part of nightlife. So
Yeah.
us partnering with clothing brands was important.
So many different things that go into it.
Tough. That's tough. And you know, as far as the clothing thing go, I'll probably talk to y'all off camera for this because it's just fire.
Yeah, anytime, bro. We available. Our whole business is based off of collaboration. So anytime we could collaborate with somebody's dope that shares the same vision, then we're open to
Same
it.
for us.
For
This is
sure.
already happening, people.
So where do you two see nightlife, you know, in the next like 2 years or 3? Where do you see nightlife expanding, or where do you see it?
So one of the big things we're trying to push, I don't know if everybody's noticing it, but nightlife is kind of at a decline. People are a little bit more antisocial. People don't want to be outside. Social connection in general is starting to dwindle. People are spending a lot more time inside, isolated. So one of our big pushes is to create that connection to make sure that people are still mixing and mingling, going out. You don't think about how many meaningful connections you make in nightlife. I think sometimes it gets a bad rap. With that being said, I think fully integrating all of the aspects that he was talking about into, you know, one source is going to be helpful. If you can get your Uber or your Lyft to get to the spot and drink responsibly, that's a thing. Finding a spot to go, a hotel after the fact, depending on what I was getting into for the night. That whole thing, like, I think nightlife as a whole is a market that's only looked at very singularly.
Yes.
We look at it holistically.
Yeah.
That's
And that's
nice.
a good.
Awesome.
Me and my friend was just talking about how we about to start taking Ubers because who the hell likes to look for parking at events?
fuss.
Like, especially these venues that we have here in Rochester, the parking slots are so small and it be
Probably
cold.
about 5 parking spots.
Yeah, like it be so cold walking and you know,
let me give y'all a better
Might have
idea
to
as
park
far
down the
as
street.
Uber go. If y'all get connected with like party buses, so they could pick up a group if a group is going to a specific event, that could be a different outlet for y'all. Cut out the Uber so they lit off rip. You know what I mean?
Oh, for sure. It's definitely a thought we ran past. We got a couple ideas in the tuck that we ain't talking about yet, but that I think that experience is part of what we're thinking about.
absolutely.
Yeah, and there's on a different front, there's different trends that are happening in nightlife too. Like you have like kind of an emergence of spots that are non-alcoholic based that are still bars and emphasizing mocktails. A lot more emphasis on like day parties or different
I love a
social
good day
gatherings.
party.
So yeah, a lot of day parties, a lot of
day party.
non-alcoholic parties. The generation that's coming up, 21, 22, they're drinking less. So there's definitely some niches and pockets where nightlife is changing, where we see ourselves integrating into that a lot more too.
This is
Nice.
That's
nice.
good.
That's what's up.
Do you two use the app to plan you guys' weekend and trips and stuff like that?
All the time, specifically in Rochester. We were in New York a couple of weeks ago, and when you think of New York, there's always a bunch of stuff to do.
Always.
Yeah.
But
Unlimited.
it's still the same issue. Like you spend a bunch of time scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Instagram. You go to Eventbrite. Eventbrite only captures a small percentage of what's actually going on.
Right.
So it's still an issue. As we expand to more cities, I think that this will be something that is like a household name. It's almost like when you go to Google for anything. We want you to think nightlife, go to Nightfly.
Yeah. I feel like New York City is a big one. Because I know before I go to New York City, I always get on TikTok and be like, oh, what am I going to try? I never eat at the same places when I go to New York City. I never go to the same places when I go to New York City. So I be on there. On TikTok looking like, what am I going to try this time?
How much time are you spending doing that?
Honestly, I don't take long. Listen, because I've never had a bad experience in New York City. So I just get on there like, oh, this looks like a new place. If it's something that it looks like I'm going to enjoy, like as far as food-wise. Things to do, I mean, I don't really care. I'm going to have a ball doing whatever. You know, honestly, I'm just going to make a time out of anything.
I feel that.
But so I just pick some random places and plan it out and
So
go.
TikTok's great for that. What about when you're looking for something very specific?
Right.
Sometimes that takes a lot
Yeah,
more time to
100%,
figure
yeah.
out.
Absolutely.
What we do well is we set it up where it's only nightlife. So all of our filters are nightlife specific. If I want to go to a bar that has a young professional crowd that plays Afro beats, that's mad specific. You can't look that up on TikTok.
No.
But you can find that on Nightfly.
Okay.
Oh, that's
All right.
awesome.
Absolutely.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, I got a question for both of y'all. So earlier you said y'all met at RIT.
Yep.
So what was your upbringing like? I want to see where it connects to make this happen. Where y'all from?
So our backgrounds, from a major standpoint, has nothing to do with what we're doing now. Only in the fact
Well,
that
I'm interested in what the majors are.
Yeah, me too.
yeah. So we went to school for engineering. So it's adjacent to this, but it's not
Man,
related.
that's
Technical
crazy.
engineering, mechanical engineering.
I went for civil engineering.
I'm
Civil.
electrical.
Electrical.
Okay.
Yep. So
Okay.
I spent after
Yeah.
we
So
graduated.
this is a hustle.
Yeah,
Oh, for sure.
That's what I'm talking about.
But while we were in college, we did a lot of partying, like a lot of people did. But we
Yeah.
did a lot of traveling for it.
All right, TV lit.
Yeah, I
We
don't know
gotta
about
get
now.
down.
It's still lit now.
Yeah.
For a while, they was going through it.
I used
Yeah.
to travel to Albany every weekend to go party.
A lot of my New
All
York
day the
City
weekend.
peoples I met went to RIT.
Yeah.
Like when I would go party, it was at
RIT was
It-
it.
RIT or U of R.
Our campuses definitely weren't, but
Yeah. No.
Nah. So we would come to y'all campus sometimes for some of the parties.
we used to have,
Not my campus.
we had a really lit party one time, and Jermaine, you were there.
Yeah.
That was the only lit party we ever had.
Because
That was the only lit party we ever had. I had purposely wanted nothing to do with planning it because I already got in trouble on campus for something else recently. So, it was the littest party we had though. Absolutely. But I used to go to RIT for a lot of things. Definitely.
Word.
Yeah, it's a sleeper campus for sure. Like when you think of RIT, especially when you look at the ratio of men to women, is nasty work. But
What is it? Okay.
it's like I think
It's
it's
gotten a
like
lot better though.
has it?
What is
it,
When
bunch
we were
of-
there, it was like
bunch of men?
it was like 4-1 or something like that when we was there.
wow.
Like 4-1 men. But a lot of them are like technical, antisocial. So you
Got it.
kind of
Yeah.
they don't come out their room.
Because
so
they're
you
very
cut that in
nerd.
half.
Yeah,
Very
it ends up
nerd.
feeling 1-to-1 for real. For
Those
real. 'Cause if you
engineering
mention that-
majors
Complete
are
opposite.
hard.
We have 90% women.
That's why
At
RIT people
NAS.
used to try to go to NAS.
Yeah, we had 90%. I guess back in the day, NAS used to be an all-girls school, and
Yeah.
Fisher used to be an
All
all-boys
boys
school.
Catholic.
And
all boys
yeah,
Catholic
so they
school.
used
yeah,
to like
sometimes
pull
Fisher
up
makes
during
Yes.
lunch hour during college and like flirt with the girls over from Fisher.
That's
My old
hilarious.
principal was telling us she's a nun now, but you know she used to get down with the best of them.
Right.
Back then, she was telling us all
Before she
kind of
changed
stuff.
her
So, but it's majority women now still.
Yeah.
But I guess going back to the question, like our background, we went to school for engineering. We did a lot of partying. We would travel a lot, especially for like carnivals. We would do Toronto all the time. We did London's Carnival, Grenada.
Grenada. Shout out Grenada. God,
Yeah,
man.
absolutely.
Wow, you guys went to Grenada for Carnival? Why
Yeah.
you never thought to?
That was the best.
You never
one.
had to bring us up?
they went to London.
I hear
bro.
that. I hear
London
that.
too. Notting Hill Carnival.
Yeah, I never thought. That's the one I really want to go to.
Spice Mouse. You ready?
Yes.
You gotta get covered in oil.
Oh no, I'm ready.
Since
It's
the
I,
burn.
I
most
have
authentic.
I have my
Carnival.
outfits ready. I have my sleep schedule ready. None.
Oh,
I have
yeah,
the
there's-
pace
That's
ready.
always that's your sleep schedule now.
None.
Yeah, no,
Absolutely none. Like I'm probably running on 1 hour sleep now, but I'm ready. I have the pace ready. I'm
Okay.
I'm working out.
That's a
for
good
it.
one. It's a good time.
Yeah.
It's a good
Yeah,
time.
no, we definitely
Yeah.
we got a lot of stories about.
And then the one in
about
England
Grenada.
I've been to as well. Too
The
bad we didn't go at the
Nottingham
same time. Yeah, I was gonna say too bad we go at the same time, but
But
That
I
was
don't
really
know,
fun.
I don't like the carnival of England. Like, I me just see it, obviously, me not go yet, but me see
Oh,
it
it's-
online. But England
great.
road them little.
what is it? The carnival's little?
The road. England have
Oh,
the
no, but
road.
there's
and
so
then you
much-
see
but
everybody
there's-
just
But it's such a it's not so you're just seeing the road. There is fields and under bridges and it happens in a big huge city town. Like it happens in a big place. You're just seeing the videos from the road part. But I mean, yeah, the road is small.
well, look out for night flight in England again.
Yeah.
Oh man, Night Flight England is gonna be crazy.
Yeah, man, enough. Globalize the brand.
Got to. Eventually, we coming.
That'd be fun.
Okay.
You want add on to
No, you killed it. You got it.
All right. Well, let me take this time real quick to give our sponsors some shout out real
Yeah.
quick.
One Love Window Cleaning.
Yeah.
Big up One Love Window Cleaning. Big up yourself. New York Styling. Big up yourself.
Yes.
D&K Catering, big up yourself. And Sierra, the content creator. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And Nightfly. Big up yourself, Nightfly. Yes.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and right now people we on the
And to Boogie the Barber.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
and Boogie
yeah,
the
yeah,
Barber.
yeah,
Can't
yeah.
forget
Not
Boogie
with
the
us
Barber.
today.
yeah.
Can't forget the Boogie the Barber.
Boogie the Barber for sure. He'll hook y'all up with some nice cuts if y'all ever in the town need a
And
barber.
then also some food
Follow him.
very soon as well.
Hottest barber in the town.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and
Word.
he's in culinary school right
Yeah.
now.
So he'll be out on the market soon enough
Yes, he's
to do
almost
catering
done.
and all kind of stuff. So
He just won this competition he was
I
doing
seen
in
that.
school. Yes, he made a Marry Me pasta.
you know, I
with
haven't had any
shrimp.
Marry Me pasta yet or Marry
Yeah.
Me anything yet.
A shrimp.
And it's gone
I've never heard
viral
of
on
that.
everything.
Uh-huh.
It's like a creamy.
It's made with a white sauce base, but it has like tomatoes and cheese and like peppers and stuff. It's really good. I've made
really
Marry Me
popular
chicken,
on
but I've never had
TikTok.
the Marry Me pasta. That was different. That he made the Marry Me
I love
pasta.
all kind of
Fire.
pasta. So.
It's really good. It's really, really good.
Word, I'm about to try that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and quick on fast. Like we said, we give our sponsors a shout out real quick. And also, any events you got coming up?
Oh yeah, let's shout out some events. So we'll go through some Nightfly events first.
Just like that.
We'll go through some Nightfly events. Let's whip the app out. And let's whip the app out and go over some events that we have coming up here in
I like this.
Rochester.
I like this type of promo.
Yeah.
And while they taking the app out, they let us know some events they got popping
Pull
on
out
the
the
app.
app too.
We gotta shout out the chat. Check the chat. See what the chat's talking about real quick.
Yeah, they say anything about any events?
And I want to give my little cousin a birthday shout out, especially Ray Ray. But no, you're now watch. I got some about shout you out, but happy 18th birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Big Live Vibe supporters. But surprisingly, she not in the chat. But Manta, make sure you tell her something, give her a shout out.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. I also want to shout my sister out. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday, Nikki. I love you so much, girl.
All right. I actually got to meet one of Jenny's sisters officially the other day.
Yep.
At the movie. Jenny and her family came to the movie with me, and it was great.
And we had so much fun.
We went to go see the Snow White movie. I invited a couple of the stylista families, and we had such a great time.
Nice.
So,
Y'all should have invited me. I would have came.
yeah,
They left you
I
out,
thought it was a
man.
kid thing, but
Yeah,
I
they
should have
did.
probably invited
That's
them.
crazy.
I should have probably invited someone else. as well.
I saw that, and I was like, oh,
I invited people that had kids.
but it's Snow White. That's an original.
I should have.
It's original.
Next
Look,
time.
I'm a kid at heart.
Next time.
Yeah, I went and saw Beauty and the Beast when it came out.
Oh,
Fire!
yeah.
They did a good job putting that together. Like the realistic version of
next
the Snow
time-
White is realistic, right?
Does anybody want to be put on the
Yeah.
list for next time for screen?
Are these musicals?
No, it's
Please, no
a
musical.
it was a live action new Snow White movie at the movie theater.
How much singing though?
It wasn't actually that much singing.
No.
I can get
It
with
wasn't because I like singing in movies, but not too much. Like
Yeah.
easy on the singing, not too
Yeah.
much. But it was good. Probably like a little 20%, like 25%. So it was
I
good.
can do
Okay.
that. I can
Yeah.
I peeped the like
Yes.
wrap around.
Yeah, the wrap
do a little
around.
wrap
Yeah.
around.
Like
Mhm.
the
Do a little
wrap
wraparound.
around in
Wrap
the
around.
movie in the movie theater. Like that was crazy. Was it hard to like watch?
No,
it from-
so sometimes it actually cuts off when it's not needed for the scene, so you can focus on the main
Yes.
screen and you don't
Okay.
notice, and then it picks back up and like takes in the shots from other things. So it's not on.
right.
It just depends if it's like
And
like
it's not
something
too
going on.
much
It's not too
either.
much. I thought honestly. If anything, I wish I sat probably like a row down, and then we would have probably really like been in
Got
it.
the full effect.
But I feel like I still got the full effect. I just wish I would have sat a row down probably.
Okay.
But I liked it.
Did they have 3D? Do they have 3D movies? Because that
There-
in 3D would probably be crazy.
There at the movie theater, yes, but was that movie 3D? No.
No.
No,
Yeah, I
no.
can't see Snow White being 3D.
Yeah.
It's not necessary. But.
So yeah, so
Yeah,
some
I might
Nightfly.
take myself there this weekend.
Yeah,
this
please do.
week.
Please. And they sell food as well.
Oh yeah, I know. And
Apple,
drinks.
Apple Cinema, the
Yeah, they
brand
have
new
a
one
bar.
in Greece.
And Greece.
Yeah, the brand new
Where's
one in
that?
Greece.
And Grease Mall.
Oh,
Where
okay.
the
Where
old
we used to
movie
go to
theater
the
was.
movie theater when we were kids. You'll know because you're from
Yeah.
Rochester.
Yeah, I seen they was opening up.
Oh yeah, I'm talking to you like you from Syracuse.
Yeah, he's from
Yeah.
Syracuse.
Yeah.
I'm not into everything. I missed that one.
My
Enough
best
to
friend
know.
is from Syracuse.
Yeah.
I only lived there for like 5 years.
Long enough to know where the mall's at.
Oh, Greece. Well, I didn't know they had a movie theater. We ain't never go to the movie
Touche.
theater.
Touche.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were too old to go to
The-
the movies around them times when you probably came. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the movie it slowly declined and declined and declined.
I'd say
and
it's
declined.
picking up now with the Apple
Everything.
Cinema.
Oh yeah, for
I
sure.
say the
It's
Apple
going to,
Cinema-
it was so many people looking forward to
It's
it.
really putting a new exclusive little thing on the movie theater now.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
a definitely,
Oh, yeah, sure.
you can get food. You
Is there a
have
bar,
the
too?
Screen X. They have a bar as well.
Yeah, your night
They
flight
have
over
a bar.
there.
I didn't
Oh,
see
yeah,
the bar
yeah.
wasn't
Get
open,
my perks over there.
but I
Yeah.
see that they have a
Discounts on
bar.
movie tickets or something.
Yeah,
real
That'd
quick.
be a good
Yes,
one.
for
And they just
sure.
opened
That's
last
a good
week.
day night.
Yeah.
They just
Oh,
opened like
Oh, yeah,
3 days
tapping
before
in.
we went.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
need to get people back outside.
For sure.
Yeah.
The movie's
dope.
fun. I thought the movie was great.
Ever since COVID, it's been hard for all these businesses
Yeah.
and stuff like that. So
That's just how it goes.
Word.
But we're working on it. So we'll kick it off to you, Keem.
So somebody asked us what inspired us to do this podcast. I don't want to not answer the question, but like today is focused on our guests, right?
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna ask that anyway. If y'all
Oh,
answer
okay.
that. Yeah, that
Alright,
was one of my
well,
questions.
Well, it was my brother's idea. He does a podcast on Fridays with him and the guys. They every Friday, every day really after work, they come link up, talk about life stuff, get together. So he wanted to do something exclusively for ladies that are in his life, because he does have a lot of female friends. So he figured that this on Sunday would include us and our perspective on things that guys talk about or can see, and just having that female's eyes and perspective on things. It definitely opens up a wide array of other things that guys don't think about, like, oh yeah, I never thought about that.
It's true.
That's a lot of it.
So this was all his idea. I don't know how he knows Ciarni and Jenny, but that's my brother, so that's how I got.
I still don't know him that well, so let me stop. He actually got cussed out the other day because I didn't know his last name.
Oh wow.
But then I knew it. But then I knew it. Magically.
After you did what? Yeah. Okay.
After I did what?
Okay.
Where did I look? Where could I have looked and got your last name?
We know. That's what I'm saying.
It just came to me,
Okay.
from Facebook.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. I wish you would have asked me my middle name.
The only
and then took
reason
it
you
from
know my
Facebook.
last name is because it's my social handles. That's the only reason. No, that's the only
Because
reason.
what you introduce yourself as yourself.
Oh, this is true. But now I know it. So there we go.
Yeah, my social name is my middle name, not my last name.
You give your whole government when you're introducing yourself to someone?
Yeah, every time.
Word.
Every single
Yeah,
time.
she is her
Hi guys,
business.
I'm Ciarni Knight. Because there's no other. I don't have another. That's why
I've
I'm
never
also.
met another Ciarni.
I've met
Me neither.
Kiani. I've met Sarani, the actual artist Sarani, and I actually joked with him, and I'm just like, I used to get teased all the time in school and get called your name all the time, and I was just like, this is great that I actually get to meet you,
That's hard.
even though he's older than me, so he had the name first, but
Yeah.
So my dad's name's Cian, his yard name is Cian, so I'm Ciarni,
That's dope.
and his name's Kevin, so my middle name's Kavan.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, so
Kavan is dope,
night
yeah.
and the night, my night,
Ciarni
like
Kavan
that's my
Knight.
family.
It's got a good ring.
So yeah, but it's spelled Sean. So like people would say Sean, but it's
yeah.
Cian.
I
Cian.
see.
So
Okay, all
yeah,
right.
so that's Ciarni.
That's
and I just
cool.
introduce myself as my full name all the time. I don't know any other name to come up with. People always tell me like I need to come up with some sort of media name or
Ciarni is the
something,
media
but
name,
I
though.
think like because I asked the other day like Ciarni the content creator or media overnight or something. I think I'm just gonna stick with Ciarni the content creator.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know
I like
too
that.
many other people that have my name, so I
True.
think I'm just gonna capitalize off
sure.
my name, you
Yeah.
know.
For sure.
And then I snatched up that night name on Instagram, and I get cussed out about it all the time because everybody wanted it. Everybody wanted it, but I started it back when,
Yeah, that's what's
So
up.
that's my Instagram.
What are you gonna do with like DJ once you start DJing? You gonna have a DJ name? Or what you
Ciarni
gonna
the
do?
DJ.
Ciarni, okay.
Ciarni.
We're cutting
Ciarni
clean
the-
cuts. Ciarni the DJ.
Yeah.
Ciarni the DJ, Ciarni the
It's
content
just-
creator.
Ciarni the content creator.
DJCC.
DJ Seats could be DJ CC.
Yeah.
Ciarni the stylista.
Yeah, Ciarni the stylista. We're just gonna keep Ciarni until I meet somebody else with my name, and then for some reason they like copyright it or something.
Yeah.
Actually, I wonder if I could get like
Absolutely.
something on my name.
Absolutely.
I should probably go ahead and look into that from now. You never know. Like
Yeah. Then Kim.
There's a couple people
Trademark
that have
it.
named their kids close to my name though, and then they say like, "Oh no, it has nothing to do," and I'm just like, I think that's a lie. I feel like I hear the name in there.
I've met,
I feel like I
I've
hear the
met a
name
few
in there.
Nijas.
Yeah, I
Even
like
though
that
my
name.
name is not common.
Yeah, I
Spelled
like
the
My
same
grandma, no, not spelled the same way. My grandma actually saw my name in a dream. That's how I got my name.
Wow.
My mom's name
That's
is.
where all the good stuff comes from. In dream.
Yeah, they're very spiritual,
Mm-hmm.
and my mom's name is Nyoka.
Okay.
So it was supposed to be, so my name's Nija Kiara McEwen.
Mm-hmm.
My brother actually named me Kiara based off of the movie Lion King.
Oh,
Kiara,
nice, yeah.
you know. And he asked my mom, "Can we name her Kiara from
Mm-hmm.
Lion King?" And that's how I got Kiara. And then McEwen is actually my father's name. My father's last name. Me and my mom were I was my mom's first girl. We were supposed to have the same initials, NKH, because her name's Nyoka K. Hughes. So I was supposed to be Nija Kiara Hughes, which actually sounds weird, but I ended up with my dad's last name. So
Yeah.
Ah. Makes sense. Makes sense.
yeah. I can't put the hyphen in my name. My name is NY-JA. It's hyphenated, which makes it different. And I don't know why it trips people up because, I mean, if you went to school, you know syllables. A hyphen is just like a pause. Nija.
Whose cup is it?
You know? I think we got new glasses. We got upgraded. This.
No, like, because it says, I do yoga. Just kidding. I drink wine in yoga pants. Who got these?
Yeah, that's
Did you guys bring these?
No.
Whose cups are these yours?
I was told there'd be
got it
wine.
yesterday.
Nice. Where'd you get that from?
I went to the wherever you can go and
Live
ball
Help.
up, man. The dollar store.
I
Life
love that.
having
Yeah.
wine helps.
No,
That's
no.
fact.
It's $175.
That's
Starting
right.
like next week. So
Wine because
ball out
adulting
this
is
week
hard.
only. Ball out this week only.
That's
I love
that's
that.
funny.
It's going up to
I like that.
$175 like next week, Dollar Tree. So
Oh.
yeah.
From 125 to 170. It's not even going to be the dollar store anymore.
Exactly.
Like,
There's nothing there I really
They got
need
stuff in
anymore.
there for
There's
$5
nothing.
now. I was outraged.
There ain't nothing there I need no more.
Right, exactly.
What you said? What?
It's close to Walmart prices.
I seen
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
now.
Walmart, yeah.
I was outraged.
All right,
Wait,
guys.
when it went from 125?
Nah, there's stuff in there for more than 125.
Right.
Oh, yes, it is. Yes.
I'm like, what's going on?
All right, back to the events.
Yeah.
I was gonna say back to the
Hey,
events.
well,
Okay.
while we doing that though, we still don't forget we still celebrating Women's History Month.
Yeah.
We gotta touch a little bit on that.
Yeah.
You know,
Nurses Week is coming up, guys.
Nurses
All
Week.
right.
So-
What is that?
Nurses Week, it's in April. I can't remember exactly what week it is,
Mm-hmm.
but it's very important. It's very big.
Yeah.
The whole world celebrates it.
Nice.
We get discounts. I'm a nurse.
Yeah.
You guys don't know, but I'm
Okay.
a RN. I work at Rochester
Period.
General Hospital in the operating room.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't even talk about our weeks this week. I had a lot of interesting stuff go on this week. This week I got to witness some open heart surgeries.
Okay.
Mm.
How was that?
Oh my gosh. To
That
see
sounds
your
like
heart stop
Crazy.
in surgery, like, absolutely amazing. And to see it start back beating, it's freaking crazy. Like,
Mm.
I think that's going to be my home,
Literally-
my specialty.
literally witnessing life.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
you're literally, like, I literally, on the EKG machine, you literally see the heart, like, it goes into cardiac arrest first. So it becomes very tachycardic. It beats really fast. The heart look crazy beating, like, it just be going crazy. And then it just slowly just, doop, doop, doop. It, like, goes down, like, by 5. And it just stops. And it goes flatline. And then they just start working like normal. It's
Yeesh.
That's
freaking crazy.
I don't know if I can handle it.
It's
Yeah,
done.
heavy,
It's done by
heavy.
a drug called cardioplegia, which is just a very high dose of potassium. I don't know if you guys knew that, but if you have high doses of potassium in your system, it can cause you can have arrhythmias in your heart, and your heart can palpate and feel like skip beats, and cause it to beat really fast. So if you give someone a high dose, that's what they do on death row, when they those drugs that they're injecting when when a person is on death row is potassium, high doses of potassium. So in the operating room, when they give that, they put them on, I don't know if you guys ever heard of a bypass machine. So it's a big machine that drains the blood away from the heart, and it like literally acts as the heart in the lungs. So
Like
the
bypass,
blood, the blood goes through this machine and it oxygenates the blood, and then like it just keeps going through. And then when the doctor is finished, the surgeon is finished with the surgery, he will tell them like, all right, re-administer the blood, and they give the blood back. And then like sometimes they have to paddle the heart to get it to act right, because sometimes it doesn't. But a lot of times it just starts back beating on itself once that cardioplegia has depleted itself. It's absolutely amazing. So, that was the highlight of my week this week. Very interesting. Did you guys do anything interesting this week?
It's hard to match that.
I see some amazing stuff. I really have a passion and love for what I do. So seeing stuff like that is just amazing. You will never know what the body can do until you are like right there in front of it. Like, oh shoot, like you're literally holding somebody's heart in your hand, like, and they're literally gonna get up and start walking and talking again. Like it's absolutely crazy. That's amazing.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's dope.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
all of the patients made it out alive.
That's beautiful
Yes.
too.
One time for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, word. Little sip to that.
Yes. Sip
I'm all
to
out.
that.
Go ahead.
Cheers to that.
And crack
Are we tapping the bottle? Come on now.
Okay.
Come on now.
Okay.
Before,
Yo,
so.
You don't tap the bottle? It's
you
good.
in?
I never did it. Never
I'll
tapped.
talk.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
tapped
got you.
for you. Yes. So we'll pass it off to you now. You
Oh.
can say about your week, and then you can also say the events on the app as well.
Week has been crazy. Week has been crazy for me.
That's like it.
Do I even share this on the pod? I had a tragic death in my family last month, so doing a lot of dealing with that.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's been pretty heavy. But outside of that, continuing to build Nightfly. We just surpassed 1,000 followers on Instagram.
Yes.
So that's
Cheers
dope.
to that.
Thank you.
Shot
That means a little bit more to us too, because we're not naturally gifted at social media. That's something that we
It's
really haven't
tough.
focused on.
It's tough.
And you know, the added vulnerability that I've had to have to just learn how to create organic content, be more myself, show more of myself to people. Even being on podcasts is part of that evolution that I've been going through as the face of Nightfly. So that's been a big part, and everything that we have, those 1,000 followers, nothing you pay, all of that is organic, all of that is
Like,
real
just
love and
think
real
about
followers.
it. Like
so.
if you were in a room of people and there's 1,000
All of
people
them.
there,
Yeah.
like
a big
that's
feat.
a crazy experience
Yes.
to like have that many people.
Yeah.
So that's big.
It's
Yeah.
dope. It's
That's
dope.
massive.
Yeah.
It's good to even think about it that way, because
Yeah.
I think you get so caught up in the social media numbers.
When you see
and-
people with like 100 million
Yeah.
or 1.4, 4.4 million, it's just like, imagine 200 people in this room right now, like supporting something that you do.
Yeah.
Right.
Like what? That's crazy.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure.
so-
How long has Nightfly been a thing?
So we actually originally came up with the idea back in 2015.
Okay.
Is when we first started working on a project. Then the app itself, Nightfly, released in 2020.
Oh,
But
okay.
obviously because of the climate, it's
Yes,
COVID, and
yes,
you know
yes.
we couldn't really.
2021, what month? What like was
2020. It was October 2020.
It was
Oh, October 2020.
October 2020. I was
Alright.
living in Atlanta
So
at
you
the
guys
time.
were in the thick of it as well. Yeah, I was
Yeah,
gonna say
so-
that.
Yeah.
Well, that was kind of like no, it's still in the thick
Nah,
of it.
we thick.
Because we're literally
Yeah.
just coming out the thick of it right now.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
when you think
for
about
sure.
it, like, we've only really had one full solid year of, I don't know, the last time I heard something about COVID. You know
Right.
what I mean?
Actually,
like,
COVID is still very big in the hospital. It's just not as talked about as much.
This is true.
But there's still a lot of patients that are coming in with COVID, and it's like still deadly to them. So it's just not as talked about anymore.
Right.
Yeah.
It's
Right.
just
Got
not
it.
as talked
Got it.
about
Got it.
anymore.
But yeah, so given that, at the time when we first released it, we weren't heavy promoting it just because of the climate of the time. So it still took some time to build up steam. And then through that, I was living in Atlanta at the time. And then I moved to Charlotte. Then in 2023, I actually moved back up here. So that me and him could work more closely and push it. And around that time, that's when we came out with Nightfly Plus, when we started collaborating with venues, offering perks, and that whole monetization strategy really kicked off in 2023. So that's really when Nightfly started to
Yeah, that's
to pick up.
crazy. That's crazy.
good.
That's fire.
Yeah,
Love
thank
it. Love it. Love it. Okay. All right.
so the event.
Oh yeah, so the events. Let me see. Let me pick up my handy dandy Nightfly app.
I like the colors as well.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
The
thank
purple
you.
and the black. Was that
Yeah.
an inspiration of anything?
The colorway?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so honestly, everything with our logo, from the name all the way down to the logo, all of it has meaning. We were very intentional with it.
Yes.
So the Nightfly, like the shape of it, I'm not even know if I'm pointing at it, but
You are.
the shape of it is the anatomy of a firefly.
Yeah.
Okay.
And basically what a firefly is, a firefly in the night, it illuminates. So it sheds light on night. And that's
Okay.
exactly what our app does. It sheds light on nightlife. It sheds light on that.
that's right.
So that's where we came up with the logo. It kind of stems from that. We have some really dope people working on a logo in terms of like sketching and things of that nature. And then even down to the colors. So purple and blue are very heavily nightlife colors. Obviously those are colors that are prominent. But they also have meaning. Like purple is more so geared towards inviting the women towards it. The blue is more so towards the men getting there. We added a lot of curves, which appeals more to the woman's eye. And then the sharp point kind of appeals more to the men's eye. So there's all like color science, all graphic science that our people tapped into. Then you have the black and white. So black and white goes across the whole spectrum of all people to be in there. And then we gave it the
Matches
little
everything.
it matches everything. And then we also gave it the tilt to show in motion. Like we at first it was straight up like a point because it kind of looks like a location Doppler because we're also showing you the spots to go. But we decided to put motion on it because then the motion shows that you're actually traveling to go to a spot.
Okay, that's great.
So there's a lot of elements.
I
to
love
it.
that.
Everything was intentional with the logo.
Yeah, that's right.
Good. That's great.
Okay. Before we talk about the event, somebody
Yeah.
just asked, is it only on the Apple App Store?
Yep, it's only on the Apple App Store for now. We have a web app that's going to give people availability to Nightfly Plus to get the perks. We are finishing up testing on that, and that should be out probably within the next month.
Okay.
And then later this year, we're going to be probably doing a full Android version at some point.
Damn, I was about to start talking shit about Android people.
I'm an Android user for sure. I gotta
get an iPhone.
I got a burner iPhone for the app.
Okay.
Anybody who really want to go get you a burner iPhone.
Okay.
The
Not
old one's
using
something
the iPhone
cheap.
for a
Yeah,
burner.
user.
I don't even want to get into it.
We're going to be here all day now if we have to do this. But yeah, there's some dope events coming up. Today, Ziggy's is having a March Madness. Obviously, y'all know March Madness is going on right now.
Yeah.
I've been
They-
to Ziggy's
Shout
during
out
Halloween. Yeah. I like the photo booth they have there.
Yes.
Okay, bet. So then, March Madness R&B day parties at Studio Lounge today. So I'll probably pop into that after I leave here, depending on where my vibe is at.
Oh no. Never
What's
mind.
up?
No, I'm not. This is not my. Yeah. I don't know if it's confirmed, but I did see something online
What'd you think?
that said it was.
Cancelled.
Yeah.
We'll confirm.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I
That's-
did.
that's something to confirm.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's see, Reggae Sundays dancers link up, Maestro
All right.
Shout out to
At the
DJ
French
Maestro.
Quarter.
at the French Quarter. So that's happening. Let's see, and then starting off next week, we got Taco Fusion at Tacodero. DJ AP, DJ Rico gonna be in the building.
Okay.
Best tacos in town. Make sure y'all tap into Tacodero. So
Yeah.
aside from Nightfly, he's an entrepreneur in other realms as well. He's the co-owner of Tacodero Restaurant and Lounge.
Oh, okay.
They just got a newly renovated lounge. He did a lot of the work himself. He put in that engineering degree to use.
Where's that at?
We're
next to
on
the
Brooks
airport.
Ave, right across the street from the airport.
Right next
Right, okay. I've passed by before. I've only ever had Tacodero from the food truck.
Fair.
I've never
So we
been
should.
there.
So we should all go to Tacodero because I haven't been either. So we
Yeah.
should all go to
Tuesday.
Tacodero.
Tuesday. Taco Tuesday.
Oh, good.
Tacodero. I have to use my perk as well. So
Yeah, use that perk. for
yeah,
sure.
that's my perk.
If you're a Nightfly Plus member, we do 1 free taco with an order or 2 for 1 cocktails at the bar.
Okay.
Taco Tuesday.
Lit. Okay, so Tuesday we could make that a thing, make that happen. Do you like work there? Well, we see
Yeah.
you there if we went.
You'll see me there.
Okay.
Well, depending on what time. So I'm usually there in the morning. My business partner comes in and closes.
Oh, okay.
But depending on the day, like sometimes I stick around at the bar.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah. And actually, before we take these shots, we brought in something special for y'all. We came bearing gifts. So
Okay.
we got our Nightfly shot glasses.
Woo!
Super dope. So we actually gonna take the shots out of these. for
Okay. Oh, I love it.
sure. Yeah, for sure.
Let me do a little unboxing.
Yeah, well,
Drinkware.
hit a little unboxing.
Drink-
We in drinkware. We in drinkware heavy.
Drinkware by
That's
Nightfly.
fire.
You know I like a little gift.
Whoever want to tap in, what's up?
The vibe is yours.
This one.
The vibe is yours.
Oh, okay. Mine's over there, I think.
So this is the shot glass. It says drinkware by Nightfly. The vibe is yours. And then
My shot glass is over there.
You want me to pass it to you?
Yeah, please.
If you know, you know.
Yeah. So this is our second shot
I
glass.
love this.
Yeah, that's it.
I love this.
Yeah, so these are our second ones that we released. We actually had a first one too that dropped, called SG1.
Oh,
so this is the original,
nice.
so clear and purple.
Okay, basic.
Fire.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is our original. This is our original.
I like this one
So
better.
this is it.
Oh, it's mad different. Oh,
Yeah, we
that's
got
fine.
two different ones right now.
Yeah.
Yes, it's cute. I like it. Look at that.
Yeah, these are also
Yeah.
meant to be like one-on-ones, not one-on-ones, but like
These are cute.
limited edition.
Yeah. Fire. I love it. I love it. Y'all,
Yo,
y'all
shouts out
doing
to
y'all
Night
big
Flight.
ones.
Shouts out to
Y'all
Night
are
Flight
very
right now. Because
creative.
right now,
Very creative.
Okay.
the up
Yeah,
come
I
here
am
and
not
gets.
gonna take a shot of tequila.
You know.
Oh, no tequila?
It's Sunday.
We doing a half shot?
It's a day.
I
We do a little
can-
half-
I
you do a little
can-
half?
A day of relax.
I look off.
Oh, there you go. All right.
I can take a little bit in the
A shot of
wine.
wine?
Yeah, I'll take a shot of wine. Cause I really don't do well with shots.
I like going with the
Fair
flow.
enough.
You see you?
You guys do
I like
not
going
want
with
to
the
see
flow.
me.
Yo, y'all pouring up
I
right
still
there?
got some in my
A
cup.
lot of people's in the
actually.
cut. Y'all poured up?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all need me. All
I
right.
like going with the flow.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you guys do
I am
not
going
want
to
to know.
something later.
I shot to have you over.
Yeah, no. It's really just like taking the shot.
I only came in
Actually
four, but I had
taking
another
the
one for you in
shot,
the car.
like I really just think I was not made to drink.
Yeah, some of them are
So-
tough too.
My boy taking
It's
a shot
just-
of the Poland Spring.
I swear, anything
That's
that I
next
take a
level work
shot of,
right
I be
there.
like the puke.
That's a big drink.
Like I
right there.
can't do it.
Nah, I can see that. You take shots of the wrong stuff too.
Ooh,
Like,
Yeah.
some
don't
tequilas are a lot
spread
harsher than
propaganda,
other
please.
tequilas.
Yeah, I
Here, let me get my camera out.
You might need I got a little chaser too.
Oh, okay.
Does
See,
anybody have a
they came
birthday coming up
prepared.
soon?
No.
Me in 3 weeks.
Oh, in 3 weeks.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Happy early.
Yeah,
What's
thank you.
your sign?
Aries.
You know, I had a drink. No, stop. Nothing
Don't
like
start
that
with
happened.
this.
You know, I had a drink. I actually know nothing about the signs. I'm a Scorpio. I don't know.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I like asking about it and then leaving it flat because I don't know nothing.
I don't know. I just like what it. Oh, okay. And nothing to follow up with.
Nothing.
I have nothing to follow up with. All right.
I don't
let's
know
get-
anything about anybody's sign except for mine.
What's your sign?
I don't know
I'm a
anything about
Cancer.
mine.
My sister's a Cancer.
I'm sure people always hear about cancers. I don't know why we're like most talked about, but
Yeah, because you know what cancer is.
No, we don't. I don't actually.
Everybody know.
cancers are emotional
Oh, that's
crybabies. That's what they're known for.
I
Like
You be kind?
I do. I am a crybaby. I
Y'all
fully
be-
admit to that.
Y'all be
I-
crashing out too.
Yeah.
Like, just the crying.
we about to,
You sound a little crazy.
But my sister's a Cancer.
Oh, okay.
so we taking the
Alright.
toast to
Ready?
everybody who's celebrating
Night
their birthday this month and the Night
let,
Flight
me, let me
app.
get the logo in there.
Oh, shout out to
Yes.
History Month.
Everybody turn the
Oh,
logo
Yes.
on.
Shout out to
Everybody
Women's
turn the
History
And
logo on.
women's history, that's what I'm
Alrighty.
talking about.
Yeah.
Good save, good save.
2,
Got you.
3.
Woo.
Cheers. Hey.
Alright, my cute little cup.
Woo.
My shot
Anybody
glass.
want some little chaser?
Oh, and I had a little XXL in there too.
Oh yeah.
Alright, hold
Jay, you
on.
had one.
You like XXL?
I love it.
You just out here taking juice just
No, you don't like it?
No.
No, it's okay.
You like it for real?
Was
No,
it
you got it,
XXL?
I love
alright.
it.
Really?
All
Alright.
flavors.
You like all
That's alright.
flavors?
The Moscato version. You
Oh,
ever had the
Lord.
Moscato version? They have a.
I had one version. I'm not
It's
doing it.
Terramana.
Why? What?
I feel like it was a little overly
Down the hatch.
sweet for me.
Oh,
The
okay,
balance of
see,
sweet to-
You know, I'm
Yeah.
a
Low.
See,
Ray
I need
nephew.
sweet. That's why I feel like I can't
yeah.
take
I'm
shots.
a Ray
of
and
it.
his nephew's
It's too
drinker.
strong. It's
You
just
know?
it's too much.
Even
This
though
is
that's
like
literally worse
strong
than
plus
this,
the
but-
sweet, so it just
It is
takes
strong,
away.
You want strong? You better go get you some Taylor Port.
Yeah, I've never drank Taylor Port
You
before.
never had Taylor?
Never had Taylor Port.
Oh my
Taylor
god,
Port
I have
is
the
like the
funniest
equivalent
story.
of
The
Henny
day
for
I
wine.
ended classes of my undergrad, I didn't drink prior. Not to say I never had a drink before. I have had a drink. Back when I was 17, I had a really crazy situation. Had a drink. But during college, I didn't drink. Last day of classes. I was just like, all right, last day of classes. I graduated. We had a little concert going on. Rich Homie Quan. I'm like, all right, classes is done. My obligations are done. I'm an adult now.
Yeah.
Let me go have a little drink. I had a bottle of Taylor Port.
He was gone.
People were cleaning out their liquor from their room. They was like, you had a Taylor Port. I go, okay, Taylor Port, great. Disgusting. I got so drunk. I ended up having to get like carried
That's-
onto my front
That's the
porch.
wrong thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I had the
it's easy to
absolute
do.
worst. I don't remember meeting Rich Homie Quan. I don't remember the last day of classes. I don't remember going to the graduation. Like, it was just all over the place.
Nah, painting this picture. is
So
hilarious.
then I gave it a
Yeah,
little
that's
break
right before
again,
Mm-hmm.
and then we picked it back up in the summer. I loved it.
With
Okay.
the Taylor Port?
No, drinking.
Oh, drinking.
We went
in
into
general.
espresso martinis.
Oh, espresso martini.
We went
big
into
right now.
espresso martini. Oh yeah, I love them.
I
Those
love
been like this year.
Yeah,
Like,
nice.
what
No,
happened? Like, where did those come from?
they've been hitting ever since for me.
Yeah.
And also, my other favorite martini is called a porn star martini.
Porn star, what's
Okay.
in that?
I'd have to get the ingredients, but it's really
Not
good.
another
it's
shot.
It's really big in
Porn star
England.
martini is crazy.
Yeah.
They give you a
Porn star
martini and they give you a little like shot thing on the side.
Mm-hmm.
I have to look it up. That and espresso martini is like really mine.
I love a
So
good
is it a regular
espresso
martini with a side of a shot?
Yes, but it's a certain kind of like I think it has something special in it. I
Okay,
can't
got you.
think about it right now. But espresso martinis are great.
Yeah.
The best ones are at Studio Lounge in Rome. So shout out to Studio Lounge in Rome.
My boy.
Who else has a good
Espresso
espresso
martini.
martini?
Cheesecake Factory.
Ooh,
That's where
I've never
haven't been to
had it.
Cheesecake
I
Factory
only
in a
get
long
the
time.
peach. That peach.
Bellini thing.
Yeah, I get
yes,
that
I've
peach
heard.
Bellini
I've
thing.
had
Bellini
that.
bar.
Yeah. Yeah.
I get that peach baby thing.
Okay.
Alright.
All right.
I also heard coffee and hot chocolate are good together.
Never put them together. I'm a big
I
hot
heard-
chocolate guy. but
I heard they're great
coffee, I'm off
together.
that.
For
I heard
liquor or just
No,
in
just
general?
for a drink. I
Yeah,
heard
Dunkin'
they're really
Donuts has a drink like that.
Hot chocolate and
Yeah.
coffee?
Uh huh.
Okay.
I forgot what it's called. It's the Dunka something. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. They do.
The Dunkin' what?
Yeah.
All right.
They just got rid of it. So now the new thing is the Dunka latte.
Yeah, Dunkin' man funny.
Yeah, but that one is with coffee milk and espresso.
Coffee milk.
Coffee milk.
Like
It's
common milk?
no
or it's
coffee milk. I don't know where they got that from, but it tastes really good.
Like they brewed the coffee with milk instead of water?
Yeah.
That's lit.
Maybe that is what they do. Yeah, I didn't
She
think.
said yeah, and then
I
she said yeah, and then double
But
back. I
it
was
is-
like, wait a second.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know if that's what they do, but that's pretty much what it is. It's coffee milk. Like it's not separate. It's not. It's coffee milk.
That's mad
So I
smart.
didn't know if because like a lot of their stuff comes like pre-packaged, shipped in. So I didn't know if like the coffee milk was something that they because it's ice. So I don't know if you can get it hot, but the one that I got
Trying to leave me
was
without a mic.
the one that I got was ice.
Trying to be heard.
Yeah.
Pull that
We got the
in.
voice too.
Yeah, we're all
Word.
comfy now. Like we've been here for a long time. I love that.
No, I got you.
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
dope.
Nah, vibes.
Right now, Leah, let's shout out to everybody in the chat that's been
Shout out to
tuning
everybody
right
in the
now, that's
chat.
been commentating and all of that stuff.
Shout
And we do
out.
ask you to get outside the chat and like the actual video, please.
And
if you
subscribe
haven't
to the
shared-
page.
Yeah, and if you haven't shared it yet, please do share it again.
And
If
then
you're
follow
an
me on
iPhone
Instagram
user,
too. Follow me on Instagram too.
And
if
yeah,
you're an iPhone user, download Nightlife.
yes, yeah, wait.
Night
Yes.
Fly.
Nightlife.
Got you.
Nightlife.
It's all
Oh
good,
my
you good.
gosh.
Subscribe
We
for
wanted
life.
to be
It's the
synonymous.
liquor, guys. It's the liquor.
Nah, you good. You good.
Blaming on
Night
the liquor.
fly.
Make sure to use
Nightlife,
code
Night
CC.
Fly. Yeah, use code CC. CECE.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not case sensitive. Don't worry. Yeah.
Now,
So.
Sienna, you've been a great brand ambassador the
Thank
last
you.
like, month.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
She been
Yes.
Nah,
She
she
been showing out.
Turning us up, for
I've
sure.
enjoyed it so far. Honestly, I've been to a couple parties. I've been to Mix It Up Fridays.
Yeah.
I've been to Studio Lounge.
Yeah.
And I've been to Swoburger.
Oh, you
Nashville's too.
Nashville.
Oh, and
Is that
Nashville's.
Nasty
Yeah.
Nash?
yeah.
Yeah,
Nasty
Nashville's
Nash.
as well. And,
nickname
you
is
know, we were
crazy.
line dancing in there.
But only who's on that side of town would know, right?
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, you gotta go to experience it.
Yeah,
Nashville's
Nashville's-
slept on. Not a lot of black people like go out there because they
Yeah.
don't know. But it's actually like a good vibe out there.
Yeah,
you meet some
I've
different
heard
people.
really
It's
good
mad
things
fun.
about
Drinks are
it,
strong.
yeah.
The
Yeah.
drinks are strong. The
Things
vibes
are
are good.
strong,
Yeah.
vibes good.
And you
It's-
go on line dance in ways you've never line danced before.
Right. Yeah.
For
And they
sure.
take
They don't
it
play with the line.
seriously.
They don't
Nah, you
play
gonna
with
hear
the
them.
line dance.
No, they
You
be
gonna hear
stepping
them boots.
hard.
There's
like,
rules and all kind of stuff.
Yeah, they take it very seriously.
I enjoy it. So, and then
Yeah.
I'm gonna try out Taco Jera next.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
we need to go up to Nashville with a reggae line dance.
A reggae line dance
That'd
would be
be
great.
hard,
I got y'all. We
bro.
got-
Yeah,
That'd be
nah,
hard,
fire.
bro. Nah, I'm with you. That's hard.
We'll figure out how to make that happen.
Yeah, we go just yeah, we'll talk.
Shake
That's
that
all right.
booty, turn it around.
Down me on top. I duck me on top.
Juke out, juke out. Yeah, that one. That song could play.
That's crazy.
You never know.
How has it been for you, like, going to all these different spots now with Nightfly and, like, using your perks? What's your experience been?
The experience has been great so far. I definitely say that it's gotten me out a lot more. You know,
Fire.
going to places and checking out Nightfly. It's definitely had me meet a lot of new people that I usually wouldn't meet. And I'm also a solo dolo kind of girl, so I like to go out and meet new people all the time, so it's definitely working out. You know, I've even had connections with people that have had like businesses, people that work for other places, people that have invited me to other events and all kind of stuff. You know, so
That's awesome.
I'd say it's been great so far.
Word.
Speaking of the solo dolo thing, one thing that impressed me. So when we send out brand ambassadors, the majority of our brand ambassadors right now, all of them are women, and we always encourage them to bring a buddy.
Yeah.
One, because it's like nightlife is a team sport. We want people to be out, you know, mixing and mingling, but also it's a safety factor.
No, come I always tell her, say, as a woman,
Facts.
travel at night with somebody.
Yeah,
Fact.
nah,
No doubt,
she
no doubt,
popped
no
up
doubt.
solo dolo and killed it. Like there was no issues with her walking up to people. Like it was dope. I still want you to bring a friend when you out, but I see that you have no problem with talking to people.
Yeah, my biggest thing in life, I love talking to anybody. Like I talk to people on my flight. I talk to people when I get in Ubers. I talk to people, bartenders, people doing stuff. I even had such a long, in-depth conversation with the woman in the bathroom in Vinyl one night, and you guys know exactly which woman I'm talking about. The woman that gives you the candy and the perfume and stuff like that back when we were in college.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
that
okay.
one. The woman that dances. The woman that dances outside the bathroom in Vinyl. Yeah. No. She's in the women's bathroom, but she's outside the women's bathroom as well. She's literally dancing and stuff. Oh, I love to meet people. I'm not scared or shy or anything to do anything. Like, I just want to experience
What y'all be
everything.
talking about in the bathroom? Like when women go to the bathroom.
Oh my God, girl, you look
good
so good.
Yes.
What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram?
Yes, let's take a picture.
Have you ever thought about being a model?
Let me fix your
When I
hair.
go to the bathroom, come out, it'd be a whole new energy.
Yeah.
I spend like half hour
They
in the
walk back
bathroom.
up to us like, this girl's in the bathroom trying to talk to me.
I'll be like, all right, what's going on? What is happening?
What's the real story?
I spend so much. I love
Right.
it. I love the women's bathroom. It's very homey. It feels very.
When you're out,
Yeah, I love that.
And just add on the drunk on top of that.
Yeah,
like,
it's a wrap.
people are gonna say how they feel, and you're just like, oh,
And it's,
you know,
it's never usually anything bad either. It's
Yeah.
always good vibes.
yes,
Good vibes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's dope.
Especially if you've ever been to Swan Dive
Yes.
bathroom.
yes.
Everybody's
That's a
taking
hot spot,
pictures.
Swan Dive
Yeah.
bathroom.
Swan Dive
Yes.
bathroom is a hot
because
spot.
it's nice.
Because it's also aesthetically pleasing to take photos. So everybody's
It's
already
so nice
taking
in there.
photos. Or studio lounge. Even though
Yeah.
the bathroom literally swings open like you're about to break the door.
Yes,
But
yes.
that bathroom, I'm like, oh my gosh, so sorry. Like,
Yeah.
because it scares everybody in the bathroom when you swing it open. It literally slams
In
against
studio?
the door so hard.
Yeah.
They need to get
They
one of those
need
door
some
stoppers.
springs
The
or
men's
something.
bathroom do that at studio?
Not the men's bathroom.
Did the men talk to each other in the bathroom?
No.
Crazy.
We absolutely don't talk to nobody.
The most conversation men have in the bathroom is like,
Yeah, that's it.
It'd be that for sure.
That's
That
crazy.
quick head nod is it.
Yo, even if you know the person, if he's in the bathroom and I go in the bathroom, and
Nah,
he's in
there's
there,
no talking.
I
Is
don't
it
talk to him.
quiet? Is it quiet in the men's bathroom?
Yeah.
it goes
Nah, it be
mute
talking,
until we
but ain't
get
nobody
back.
talking to each other.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it
We
goes
more
mute
than
until we
talk
get
to
back
each
to
other.
the
Girl,
sink
hold
washing
this
our
and take a
hands.
picture when you're
Right.
Hold the bathroom stall. The knob is broken. I mean, the
Literally.
lock's broken.
Can you hand me some tissue?
Hand me some tissue?
Yes, there's no tissue
Nah,
in
we
here.
be
What kind of
nervous.
drink did you
If
get?
That happens to us, we nervous. We texting people.
Oh, that's
We're not
my
trusting
son.
nobody that walks in.
Yes.
What girl do you hear my son
Yeah,
out there?
nah,
Let's
we're not
go.
talking
Let's go
about
back.
that, yo.
Or we dancing in the bathroom.
Oh,
Don't let a good song come out.
Yay.
And we
Yeah,
at the
working.
sink washing
Oh, yeah,
our hands.
absolutely.
Hey, it's
Man, soap
over.
flying around and
Yeah.
shit.
That's hilarious.
Nah, it's
I
crazy.
love it's mainly the pass me some tissue.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Pass me some tissue.
Yeah, that's a very
Or you don't want to
common
use
one.
that bathroom. Just skip over that one.
Yes,
just skip over that
that's
one.
another
Skip
good
over
one.
that
Yes,
Mm.
yeah.
The
Because the
girls'
bathroom,
bathroom is very festive. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It's a whole other party within a party.
literally.
I've noticed.
I have talked to the dude who like the napkins and stuff at studio.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
funny as hell. I talked to him. In the
There's a
bathroom.
napkin guy at studio.
Yeah.
The men's bathroom only has it.
Well,
They don't have
I don't
it.
know what it is on
Oh.
like
Well,
during
I've
the
never
weekends when
really
it's like
been
a party.
to a lot of. I've only been to the pajama party they had once upon a
Was that?
time, so I've never really been to studio for like events and stuff like that. I've
Yeah,
only
so-
been for dinner.
He's been there. I've seen him like 3 or 4 times.
I
But it's
didn't
usually
know
on
the
the
men's
weekends.
bathroom
Like
had
studios got a. They're a lounge during the day, but they're a full blown nightclub at night.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
For them to be able to flip that switch so
Sections
quickly
and all of that.
Yeah.
And it don't
I
feel
did see
disjointed.
something last night. I seen some people out
Yeah,
at
some
studio,
of my homegirls were there.
studio
They-
last night for a couple birthdays and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So-
studio's one of my favorite spots in Rochester for sure.
Yeah.
Shout out to Von Treese.
Shout out
She's
to
one of the
Laundries.
Word.
waitresses there.
Yeah.
She's really good. I love her. I have her on Instagram. She's really nice. And this girl that I know, Catherine, she just started as a bottle girl there, basically. I don't know what they would call that job at Studio Lounge. I don't know
No,
if it's
bottle
called
girls.
Bottle
They
girl,
like
same thing,
at
bottle girl.
nighttime they have sections and they come
Yeah, she
out
just
and they're
started as a bottle
like,
girl.
These
as
sexes
well.
be flying too.
Yeah, I love that.
yeah.
I love it. One of our customers at the store, her and her husband go to Studio every single weekend. Like every Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
Every single time. That's their spot. So you'll probably see them in there. He like wears a suit. She'll have like heels on and a cute little dress and stuff like that. They're always...
That's dope. That's one of the
They
things I
always
love
there.
about Studio is it's one of the few spots in Rochester that really makes you like step.
It makes me feel like
Like it
I'm out
makes
of
you really
town.
want to
Do they
jazz.
have a
You
dress
on the
code?
blazers up.
They don't.
Ooh, that's a good one. I don't know.
I wouldn't say dress code. Weekends, you definitely they don't want you in there with hats on.
Yeah.
They-
Like
I was
stuff
gonna
on
say,
the
do they-
shirt, right?
Do they have the regular,
Right.
regular, like Easton
hoodies.
Alexander?
I don't know about hoodies. I know they prefer you to come in dressed up. Like they want you to
Yeah.
look good.
Yeah.
Like, it's a sexy space. You should
Yeah.
go in there and want to feel sexy.
I like
But-
that.
Exactly.
Sexy spot.
Sexy spot for sure.
Sexy
for sure.
spot's a sexy spot.
And you know, I feel like they should bring that more to Rochester. I feel like it would make our nightlife a lot better because you know when
Agreed.
you go out to like Houston or Atlanta, a lot
For sure.
of their clubs have like Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a big one.
For sure.
A
Love
lot
Vegas.
of their
Love
clubs
Vegas.
you have to have on a certain shoe. You have to have on a certain type of fit. Like there's no just
Yeah, and
you just going out any
for
type
sure.
of way.
And me and Tim like come from that. Like even when we were in college, we're 21, 22, 23,
Oh, well,
just starting to go out.
we
and
went to
we're
college
wearing
in the
blazers
era of
like out.
business.
So
It's this
all right.
casual.
well,
It's this
wearing
casual.
cardigans.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we was
What?
outside.
Nah, but we was outside wearing blazers and stuff, dressing up. I think that's like a lost art in current.
Yes.
Like the next generation is dressing way more lax, way more
Yeah.
casual.
We used to really,
Whereas we really stuck
dress
to
up
like
back when we were
it's
Even the
a vibe.
girls, I saw a girl like with a, and not that it's not cute, but a hoodie, like a big old baggy hoodie and some baggy jeans yesterday, but
But
a
you know,
full beat.
streetwear's really in right now.
Yes,
though.
it
That's the thing,
is.
Like,
Yes,
streetwear
it is.
dress
But
for where you're
streetwear
going.
can
Yeah.
be dressy though.
This is
like
true.
It can be. It can
streetwear
be.
can be
Because you could do the baggy pants with the heels and then the crop top.
exactly, exactly. Or you can do like the skater skirt with the baggy shirt with the tuck in
Yeah.
with some sneakers.
Yeah.
Look like you put effort in.
Oh
I
yeah,
think
but people don't
It's
do it right
really,
all the
it's
time.
really
Yeah.
just the
No, they
effort
don't.
part is
Yeah.
that might be lacking. I think that's what we're
for
speaking
sure.
about.
Yeah.
And it's
I think
tough
it's
too
just the
to
effort.
in Rochester specifically. I've seen this at a bunch of places. As soon as you say no sneakers, no hat, no
They don't
white
like
tees,
that.
whatever the
They
case
don't
may
like
be,
that.
you get they throw the race card around, which I don't.
Oh,
I've
yeah.
seen places that do that, and you can tell that they're blatantly doing that for race. But sometimes it's not that. Sometimes it's to uphold
Like
what
a-
we're trying
like
to
a
do.
little-
Exactly.
And
The look.
they catch
the
flack
audience
for
that
it.
they're bringing in.
Right.
Because if you can't go out and put on a nice fit, maybe this is not the place
Not the
for
spot
you.
for you,
You
for
know?
sure.
which
for
is
sure.
fine. Like
I feel that.
there's other places. There's a bunch of places in the city that you can go.
Exactly.
I feel that.
Yeah, hold up. The studio is one of those places where you just go in there and you're like, oh, I need to wear a blazer.
I like
need
it.
to dress whatever.
I like the brown colors, the brown
Vibe is-
hues, the everything about it. You know, shout out to Chef Kajana
food
Kajana's over there too now.
Her
Yeah.
food's really good.
Yes.
I like it there.
I
And
was just thinking about them egg rolls.
the egg rolls are good.
I haven't had the egg rolls over there.
The
Oh
brown
my
butter
gosh.
sage pasta is
yet.
the
I had
best.
that.
It gets a 10
I
out
had
of 10
that
for me.
last Thursday's
Yeah.
Is that what
Gets
you
a
had
10
when
out
you
of-
went like last week?
I had the Alfredo because I had it last time and it was really good. So I'm just like, let me not get the brown butter sage because it did say brown butter. I'm just thinking like maybe it's not gonna be creamy. Complete opposite. It was definitely creamy. It was definitely creamy, garlicky, sagey. Oh, it's so good. I get that every
Sagey.
I get that every single time.
Yeah, it was fire. I'm
Yeah.
gonna try the Alfredo.
And then
next
they
time.
also give you like the whole box of pasta. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure they boil the whole box.
Yeah, it
box
was
of
a
pasta.
lot.
Yeah.
That's
No, that's a fact. Like
The
they definitely give
portion
you
is
good
massive.
portions.
The
They
portion
give
is
you-
massive.
That is one of the best perks.
Like
Definitely
look
in
how
Rochester.
big the appetizer is.
Fire.
Look how big the appetite. Like the jerk chicken rolls. Like look how big they are. Yeah. I love everything about Studio Lounge.
Yeah, the ownership they think about the details, the small
Yeah.
things,
For sure.
and they
And
do
it's
it
like
well.
family owned. Did you guys know that?
I actually,
It's like-
I don't know too much about the owner. I've met the guys.
Yeah, it's like a dad
Um,
and then the son. Like they
I'd
like.
have to.
Is that true?
I'm not
It's
sure.
so I know two of the owners. The father might have a stake, but I don't know. We've dealt with two of the owners.
Yeah.
And they're mad cool.
Yeah, it's like a father and then the son. I only know the father and the son.
Okay.
It's like a father and then the son. He like does all the work. The son is the one that's more present, like doing all the
Yeah, this
in
makes
person
sense.
But outside of the
stuff.
father son, there's 2 partners that are super dope that run it majority. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I don't know if they want their names. That's why.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're not
yeah,
gonna say
I
their name
don't-
on
yeah,
here.
no,
They
no,
dope.
shout out
They
to
dope.
them,
They dope.
for
They pay a
sure.
lot of attention to detail,
Yeah.
and you can really tell that they care about curating a specific type of vibe for a specific type of people. That sets a really nice ambiance. So it's dope.
And they threw us a look. Like when we was early on trying to get venues there, like, you know, we like what y'all doing. We know it's not big yet, but we see where it's going, and they threw us a look, which is shout out to them.
That.
Amazing.
That's good.
Yeah, for sure.
That's really good.
Amazing.
So shout out to the Nightfly app. I see it going places. I see it being a big thing.
For real, for real.
You know, literally within the next couple weeks.
Yeah, it's gonna go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Slowly but surely, it's getting
Yeah.
crazy.
Within the next
It's-
couple weeks. Summer's
especially-
coming up. Spring has sprung.
Yes, especially with
And,
Ciarni representing.
Oh, we
And-
up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People ask me about it all the time. People ask me about it today when I was out at brunch as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, they asked me the pasta I had the other day. They keep getting in contact with me about the
Yeah.
food. I'm just like, it was at Studio Lounge.
You guys
At
need
Studio
to
Lounge.
think about partnering with Dimango.
We are.
Yeah.
So we're,
Conversations in rolling. Right
Okay.
It's in the
Okay,
works.
yeah.
It's in
yeah.
the
Sometimes
works.
the hard part about what we do is just getting in contact with the ownership.
Okay.
It's not like a lot of businesses you can just shoot them off an email, you'll get
Yeah.
a response. Nightlife, they move on a whole different thing. Like
Yeah.
they busy during the day getting their stuff ready for the night, so you just
Exactly.
gotta pop in on them.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
crazy. Like we'll email or call or text, and
'Cause they
we won't hear
actually-
anything.
yeah.
But when you pull up to just
Yeah.
have a drink, generally that's where you get their time.
And
I
they
say-
actually
conversation.
run during the day as
There's-
well.
It's gonna be.
They have like a
the
whole
brunch was
like
packed today.
yeah,
Brunch
but
was
they
that where you came
have
from?
they have
Huh?
like
You
a,
came from the brunch at Dimango?
Yeah, I just came for the brunch.
Oh,
they have
okay,
they
I see
have
why
like
you're
an
late.
actual line of food that you can like walk in and purchase.
I was working
Dimango's
though.
fine.
I
So,
was
I believe it.
working.
I
was
believe it. I
working, though.
believe it.
We first found out about Dimango. They used to come on campus at RIT. We used to do
Oh.
special guest chefs that would come into one
Yeah.
of the dining halls.
Okay.
And every time Dimango was on campus, I miss class if I have to go get
Yeah.
that food.
Yeah,
I love
For
that.
sure.
their beef
Yeah.
stew is fire.
Yeah,
Used to get
Their
this food
food's good.
chicken.
And they do that $10 lunch special.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Lunch
they,
special's
they got
fire.
it together.
Yeah, they're
really
fire. They're
do.
fire.
But yeah, the brunch was good. The drinks were good. It's unlimited mimosas, unlimited sangrias. The mimosa was strong. He probably put this much orange juice,
That's how I like
this
my
much the rest of it. The food
I like
was
mine.
good. I had breakfast tacos. I had I had really good avocado toast with an egg on top, and they put like their little spicy sauce on top of it.
There you
So
go.
good.
You got
And
it
then
with
I
the
also
egg.
had the classic Dominican
I hate
breakfast.
this dude.
And I don't want to butcher the name. I don't know. But it's with the salami, the
fried
fried
cheese.
egg, the fried cheese, and the mofongo.
Okay.
Yeah, with the pickled onions and
Onions,
stuff on top
yes.
of it. It was good. And then I had some breakfast sausages as well.
Okay.
And I ate that shit down. It was great.
It was good.
It was great. It was very
Yeah.
hearty. You know, that was my first time trying it, so
I
think
love
it was
that
good.
fried cheese.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
It was real good. So
The salami's pretty good too.
Day Mangu for brunch. And then also,
You said that's every other week?
yes, every
Are
other
they doing
week.
that?
Yep,
Okay,
every
I'm
other
tapping
week.
in.
And then also
And you got
mental,
DJs.
Yeah, DJs.
Yeah,
as well.
Fire
DJ
Kid.
Fire Kid.
Bonatillo. I'm sorry if I butchered your name, bro.
That was the
But-
same
That's why
thing.
she didn't try it.
Yeah, that's why I didn't try it yet. I just met him.
Oh, all right.
I just
My
met him
fault.
today, but we were talking to each other over like really loud music,
Yeah.
so I didn't get the name fully.
Yeah, nightlife.
But he's a great DJ. He's a great DJ as well. I know he does a bunch of places here in Rochester as well, and he has a really good social presence. You know, he dresses up. He's like handsome for Instagram. Like he's a very handsome guy. So
Yeah.
yeah, he has a very
Handsome.
Well,
Handsome for instance.
Handsome for the grand. All right.
Yeah.
Coin
All
that.
right, cool.
Aesthetically pleasing.
Aesthetically pleasing. There you
Yes.
go.
Call that man
Yeah.
aesthetically pleasing.
Yes.
Cheers.
He is. He's pretty.
He is. That's what I'm saying. That's why he
All
is.
right,
That's what I didn't
all
want to
right,
say. I didn't
all
want to be like
We-
he's pretty.
we-
But he is.
all right. You know what? All right. So, all right,
He
people.
knew where this was going.
Thank you.
Holy
Thank you.
smokes.
Special, very, very, very thank you to our guests today. The guys from Night
Night
Fly.
Fly.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yes.
Jamil.
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 Oh my
sorry,
God.
sorry.
Now you good, right?
Jamil.
Wait, so where's Kim
Jamil
from?
and Tim.
Oh, that's my middle name. So my
Oh,
name is
that's
Jamil
your middle
Hakim. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
So,
okay.
yeah.
Because
Okay,
I had
thank
it
you.
on the board and I was like, Okay.
Yeah.
bet.
Yes,
Rachel
yes,
was
yes.
like, so where's Keem? It's
Yeah.
sitting right here.
Well, it's out now.
Jamil and
Anyway.
Yeah, no, it's a pleasure being here. Thank y'all.
Pleasure,
for having us.
pleasure.
Yes.
We definitely pull back up. I enjoyed this experience for
Yeah.
sure.
Oh yeah.
Anytime, y'all, just let us know. Just let's, you know.
Yeah, for sure. We
how
come kick it
run
with
this.
y'all anytime.
And next time we can do a show not so surrounded around the
The-
app. You know, we can get into like on the show we talk about everything. We talk about relationships, we talk about business ideas, we talk about advice for certain things, cooking ideas,
Anything you want to talk
entrepreneurship.
They said
like-
they said they wanted. They said they wanted to pull up to the
We
bridge.
got 10 minutes to rapid fire some other stuff
go
that's
ahead,
good.
go
Not related.
well, we
I don't
had
know what your timing is, but
we had
kicking it.
this
But we
one.
have some-
I'm just
what
now
was
getting
this?
vibey right now, bro.
All right.
Yeah, what was
Yo, we
this-
don't have
I'm
that time, bro.
just now sipping up. I'm just now warming up.
How
How long
You
should
know what I
women
mean?
wait for a proposal? What's going on here?
Oh, I don't want to answer that.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, you got a
So-
situation going on.
Oh,
I have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
And neither one of us are in a rush to get married.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I do think there are. It depends on the circumstance. I think if you just stringing a girl along, like that's probably a problem. But
Yeah.
you gotta think about your circumstances and what's going on and what's preventing that thing from happening.
Absolutely.
okay.
So, I don't know. I've been in some long relationships. My most recent relationship being 5 years. And I feel like I should have had a ring on my finger. 5 years is a long time to be with somebody and you not know if you want to be with me forever. I feel like marriage, so there's a difference between an engagement and a marriage. So this question is a proposal. You know, a proposal is just an engagement that you guys are willing to make that commitment in the future. You know, a person can be engaged for years and then they make that final commitment. I don't know. That's how I look at it. But I just feel like if I'm spending this amount of time with you, you know, and it's a healthy relationship. Like, my relationship was not very healthy. It was pretty toxic, and that's why I didn't have a ring. If I would have got asked, I probably would have said negative. No. You know? So, but if I'm happy and we're happy, we're working together, well, we're living together, moving in with somebody is a huge step. Like,
For
that
sure.
is a huge
That's for sure.
step. Like, at that point, your lives are intertwining
Completely.
like completely, like your work life, the at home life, like everything is intertwining at that point once you guys are living together. And once you're doing that and it works well, I mean, it's not much else that I really need to, you know, make up in my mind, you know, just to have that security, I guess I would say, you know, not really in a rush to have the whole hoorah wedding on a paper type of thing, but I just feel like that's how I feel about like a proposal type of thing.
I can see that. I guess not to go too much into this. I've also seen situations where people have gotten engaged and been engaged for a long time, and that seemed to be a bigger issue than waiting long for the proposal.
I guess I never thought
initially.
about that part, like how long you guys are engaged for.
Mm-hmm.
Because I've seen people been engaged for like 5, 6, 10.
Yeah, 10. That's a
years.
drag.
Yeah,
That's a very long
Been
time.
engaged for mad long. It's
For
crazy
sure.
weird.
Sometimes I
Yeah.
feel like when that happens, that was I did this so we could stop arguing about the engagement, but I'm not ready to be married yet.
Well, I feel like it should be like it shouldn't be like extremely long,
No.
because I mean, if you're thinking about an engagement, then
But don't forget about the people that were engaged and they only got each other, so they got to work towards certain, like the wedding they want, or
yeah.
now.
For sure.
they're
But that's what I'm
engaged,
saying.
now
Like
let's
5 years engaged. Okay, that's understandable. But when
Fair
you're
enough.
talking about 10 years, that's a whole nother decade. You're a whole new person after 10 years. Like 10 years of trying to prepare for a wedding is crazy.
I see that. What are y'all goals though? Because you got to think about it, right?
Everybody
I don't
has
think-
such a different timeline.
Yeah.
I don't think
Yeah.
people think about the business side of the marriage, right?
Yeah.
We think about the glitz, the glamour, the love, which is fine.
Yeah.
But you got to think about how now legally intertwining your lives.
It changes
A
everything. And you know, I have been, as a nurse, a lot of my nurse coworkers have been with their partners for years.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, nurses make pretty good money. You know, they are stable.
Right.
And a lot of them will not get married because of the business part of that, which is understandable. So once you look at it that way, okay, that makes sense. But long as we both can come on to an agreement, and that's why I say a proposal, an engagement, you know, and then once we're ready to make that commitment of changing our whole lives around, because marriage is a piece of paper that it's a law.
Right.
It's a law that changes how your lives run as far as the business aspect of it. So once you guys can come to an agreement on how that's going to work, and then it changes taxes, your tax bracket, then don't let kids get involved. That changes a whole lot too. And insurance, medical insurance, your medical insurance when you're married, all of that intertwined, like it. So as a business aspect, I can 100% understand where you're coming from with that part, and that does take a part. 100%. I would agree with that.
Yeah. Sure.
But a lot of people don't think about it like that, and that's why I didn't even include that in there, because a lot of people don't think, if you are not like have the knowledge to understand that that's what comes with marriage, then you would never know. You know.
For sure. And I think that the communication in general is just like, all right, here's where we're at. What is our collective goals, and what's our goals together?
Mm-hmm. Right.
And then maybe that can set your timeline as far as marriage is concerned.
Yeah. So marriage is different among different relationships.
True.
All right, we got a comment. The man is the leader in most aspects, but our lady is our support system to build us to be even stronger person and a better leader. Yeah, I would agree with that 100%. God made a man and a woman. He made the two to work together, I feel like. So.
All right. So if you believe the man should lead, you said you believe in that part. Yeah. All right. So, in what aspect and to what extent? To whose comfort, you or his?
I feel like it's a partnership. A relationship is a partnership. There should never be a more than. Right. Anyone, I feel
no,
like.
But this is why I say that. So, if you say he's lead, right? Mm-hmm. You're at a job. Your boss is lead. Not a partnership. He's lead because you trust in whatever you're doing to get the pay. What he says goes. Mm-hmm. Same thing for your husband. If you trusting him to lead, why not the same?
Because I feel like I should be able to share my opinion. On a situation.
You can.
Like, you know?
Nobody said you can't share an opinion.
That's what I'm saying. So in a partnership, even with a job, like if there's something that a job is not just it depends what job. There's different bosses run their establishments differently, and personally, they have like the dictatorship. You ever got taught that in school? Like they have the dictatorship way to lead. Then they have, I forgot the other ones. Anybody knows what I'm talking about?
Dictatorship, like oligarchies and all of that.
Yes.
Oligarchies?
Yeah, that's the you know, yeah. But there's different hierarchy types, like, you know, and leadership forms. That's what they're called. Different leadership forms that people can take on. And honestly, I'm not going to be employed under somebody who's just like, this is my way and my way only, and I don't care what you have to say. I can't work for somebody like that, because I feel like in order for things to work smoothly, you have to be able to take feedback from the people who are working from you to be able to let you know, well, this is what's working out here and this is what's not working out here. And you have to be willing to make a change if we're telling you that it's not working out here.
Agreed.
So I feel like that's why I go back to being in a relationship. It's a partnership. You know, yes, I want my man to lead and stuff like that. But if he's about to make a huge decision in life, I feel like I should be able to be like, oh, yeah, babe, that's a good idea. Or, well, maybe we should think about X, Y, and Z. You know, not saying that he's always going to take what I'm saying, you know, because he's going to make his own decision at the end of the day, you know, or whatever the conversation may be or the decision is, you know, but having that ability to be able to have a say, you know.
I get that. I think it's the consideration factor.
Yes.
And I used to get into a lot of trouble in my relationship for this same reason. Because, like, a lot of times it's like, all right, I'm doing this. I already know the intended outcome, so I'm just going to go do this.
Mm-hmm.
And she'd be like, well, why didn't you say anything? Because I knew it was going to happen. Mm-hmm. You could have at least considered me. Mm-hmm. It's like, yes, you are correct. Because there might have been something that I didn't consider in that decision when I made it. Whether my mind is made up or not, hearing the other side is important.
Yes. Yes.
Word.
Siarni, you didn't say anything.
I've never even been in a relationship, guys. I have no idea what you guys are talking about. I'm not gonna lie. I've never had a boyfriend. I've never. No, I never have. No, not yet.
You looking for something? We could make a thing of this. You looking for something?
I mean, I am officially
Speed dating.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to. Yeah, we gotta do.
We'll do a Siarni speed dating event.
Yeah.
Nightfly. Sponsored by Nightfly.
Let's do it. Get you right.
These things I don't like to, broadcast, but I am officially looking as of end of last year. Last year. These things are always so funny for me. Like, oh Lord. I actually got invited to an Alpha anniversary party tonight for this reason exactly.
Are you going?
I am going.
Hey.
I think I might attend with you.
Do you want to? It starts at 7.
Yes, babe, let's go.
I'm dropping off some sneakers to Coda Clean Kick, so check them out. And then after that, around 7.
I need her to do some sneakers for me, actually.
Yeah, Coda Clean Kick. She's clean sneakers. You can drop them off at Polished, or you can drop them off at Showcase in Greece. Mm-hmm. She cleans them for you. She can do them for same day, next day.
She also does the icing.
Mm-hmm.
If you have like the icing.
Yeah. Oh, that's super hard.
A lot of people don't do that.
So she un-yellows it? Like, you got yellow soles?
You get them
that's hard. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
so
here in
shout
Rochester.
out to Coda Clean Kicks. I'm getting my kicks cleaned. I don't have a lot of sneakers.
Can
so
she
I'm giving
get
her
oil out of suede?
Oh, she does
anything.
Timberlands.
She does anything.
I just saw her refurbish somebody's Timberlands.
Yes.
And I was like, yo. I didn't know she did Timbs and all that.
Anything you need. So that's what I'm doing today. And then I'm going to pick them up at Showcase because that's where you pick them up. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, I'm going to the Alpha thing later.
That's dope. I got one question pertaining to that. When you said you was gonna go over there, how do women wingman for each other? Like I don't think
I'm going for myself.
I was gonna say I go for myself.
Yeah, are you wingman? What's your angle here? Are you wing?
I've never had anybody wingman for me. I've never wingman for any. I've never.
So what you be doing?
Nothing. Clearly, I'm single.
You know what that explains though? You know when they all go out together.
When I see somebody that I like out, I'll say to myself, "Oh, I like them," and then do absolutely nothing about it.
But you don't tell your friends because that's the point of
my
women.
Friends,
like sometimes.
Who do I go out with?
Well,
you don't ever go.
You can start using Nightfly as your intro.
Sometimes, but hardly. You know,
be like download the app and then just start a conversation. You can use us as like a little pipeline.
God.
So
that could be your icebreaker.
Men also scare me as well.
How have you wingman for your people?
So honestly, me and my friends are very outgoing. If we like somebody, we gonna say something. Like, and it's not even like a, yo, can I get your number type of thing. It's just like, we cool, we vibing. Like,
I have absolutely no.
I don't know. We just go with the flow. I feel like.
Okay, so there's no assist. Y'all don't.
There's no.
They're not doing no alleys. Like, it sounds like a lot of one-on-one ball right now.
We don't. Like, I don't know. I feel like that's immature. We are adults.
So let me explain wingmaning though. I'm not saying like I'm sending my boy, yo, I like her. He go over, my friend likes you. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking more so like
what is I was that's what I'm thinking it is.
Yeah.
My friend over there? Like what is it? Like my friend over there? And then the friend over there be looking.
It could be a bunch of things. It could be all right, I like a girl in a group. Maybe the girl that's with him isn't my friend's particular bag of tea.
Okay.
But he'll come over with me because like I don't know if y'all have ever been approached, like one dude approaching a group of girls. Mm-hmm. That's a whole process in itself. Because whoever you're trying to talk to, you got mad defense. Mm-hmm. So having your boy come over just to entertain another person, that's a form of wingman.
Okay, that's
for sure. So you're there, you vibing, you making sure the conversation goes very smooth. Mm-hmm. You're entertaining, you adding the extra flair and the vibe So then your peoples can come in, and now they in the group. So now it's everyone's having conversation. So it ain't necessarily like yo, my boy likes you.
Yeah,
it's just sometimes you just got somebody to break the ice.
Yeah,
I'm going with the flow.
fair enough.
I mean, I swear I just be going with the flow. Like, you can definitely tell when somebody had like when they're particularly coming over to speak to one person. I feel like you can tell.
Y'all can tell, but like girls don't operate that way. It's like I know you came here to talk to her, but I need to check your temperature. I see that often.
I don't think I
really care.
I feel like my friends will be in support, like.
Because at the end of the day, that's my friend.
I ain't been outside in a long time.
My friends don't really.
Wait, what?
I know
it was not like this when I was outside.
It's different for different people. It depends on who you're talking to.
Like,
go ahead
and talk to him.
Hey, bro, you forgot our time. Women was like more of a
conservative,
protective of each other.
Yeah, so it's not like that no more.
Not necessarily like women
people.
Go out
We make our own.
I've been out for
like if they go out as a group.
7 years.
If you see them go out
and
pull up by themselves, they leave them.
Yeah,
they got places to be. They coming for that mission if they pull up by themselves. They don't want to have to drop off their homegirl after and all that shit.
Oh, it's much more direct.
Yeah, they just want to do.
Word.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Sheesh.
I gotta try a different plan. Something.
Just be direct. I feel like dudes like directness.
Yes.
Just be direct. Like
But that's why I'm saying I don't wingman, because like I'm not. If I see someone coming to approach my friend, I'm not getting all up in the conversation. Like I don't know. I don't.
You don't like. So another form of wingmaning could be. Let's say it's 3 of y'all, right? There's 3 dudes. One of the girls likes the dude.
Okay.
But you see there's an opportunity for either you to get an assist or your friend. You could kind of help push that into fruition, if that makes sense.
This ain't landing, right?
Yeah.
It ain't landing. It went over Sierra's head. Like this is this is next level vibe right here.
And I get it. Like,
This is too much. I don't know. I just want somebody to come plot themselves in my life starting tomorrow. That's it.
Y'all hear that?
That's it. I can't take anymore, guys. Please, I can't.
You want to tell me your Instagram?
It's right there.
Now I don't.
Oh, it's up there.
Now I don't want to say
the
it.
last one at the end of the thing.
No, I don't want to say it. I'm shy.
Jeez.
I just want somebody to. I don't know what I want. I have no idea.
I was about to say. So what are you looking for?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's a great question.
We about to make
as
this
well.
happen.
Lord.
We about to make this happen.
Put yourself out there like that.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
You don't have to answer that if you don't want to.
I don't know what I'm. I just want somebody with a really nice personality, somebody who
is as much as a go-getter as you.
as much as a go-getter as I am. Like I want
Like,
us to
for sure.
also somebody that can hold a conversation, somebody who's intelligent, somebody who has common sense, somebody who's family oriented. I literally want to be like away on vacation working and you're like hanging out with my family while I'm gone. And you guys are having a grand time together or vice versa. You know, like I want you to be so comfortable and just really be yourself. Like, you know, try not to be somebody else. You can just be taller than me, period. That's not really saying much.
How tall are you for short kings out there?
I'm 5'4". I'm 5'4", 5'5" on a good day. So I don't 5'6".
But 5'6" is the.
You know,
you got a lot to work with. 5'6".
I just want us to
5'6"
get
and
along.
up.
Like the first 5 minutes we meet, I'm just like, oh my god, like I'm obsessed with you. Like, are you obsessed with me too? Like, let's,
Get
you know,
married.
let's get married tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yo, chill.
Yo.
I'm ready for something. I'm ready for
Yeah,
something magical to happen. I have no idea.
Yeah.
We'll see what this
If you believe
this year
that
brings.
it's happening, but still at the same time.
I bought a suitcase. Okay, crazy. I bought a carry-on suitcase for my future partner.
Excuse me?
I said, hold up.
Whoa.
Wait, hold
What does
on.
suitcase look like?
It's a nice suitcase, brand new one. I bought matching suitcases.
Explain what that means.
So, I seen these really 2 cute suitcases, and I was just like, okay, I need a suitcase. Let me buy one.
You bought him and her suitcases?
It wasn't really him and hers, but it's for the other one's for him.
You
yeah.
took the big and the medium and you gave him the carry-on.
No, they're 2 identical
just 2?
suitcases. Yeah,
Okay.
2 identical suitcases. And I'm just like, I could see us traveling together with these carry-on
That's hard though.
suitcases.
That's different.
Yeah.
That's hard.
So
though.
it's in
That's
in my attic. It's I have a gift
Waiting
ready.
for-
It's waiting for the person.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Oh yeah.
But you hear that people should
Wish
not
us
propose now.
luck tonight.
You hear that people we can fly out tomorrow.
Wish us luck
Got your
tonight.
luggage, ready.
Yeah, I was
You
gonna say
know.
have it ready.
Packed and everything.
And I know how to
Pack-
plan trips. I know how to plan everything.
Did you pack
so
it like with stuff?
I didn't pack it with anything except a neck pillow.
Nah, if it was packed with the.
At least you want them to be comfortable.
Put some socks in there, some marina and them thing there.
I don't know what
But
size.
she, I
don't
was
know
about to say she
size
doesn't know what
It don't
size.
matter.
I don't know what
Nah,
size
the neck
socks.
pillow is thoughtful.
Yeah, the neck
Somebody,
The neck pillow is hard.
somebody is going to
Neck pillow.
appreciate that
For
for sure.
Yeah.
It's a nice neck pillow.
Yeah,
It's a
word.
fly and buy.
What is it?
Fly and buy.
Flying by? What do you mean?
Buy more shit when you get where you going.
Oh, when we go there, yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I never even heard of flying by.
Flying by,
Like,
yeah, I'm
that's
saying like
hard.
flying by.
Shout out to my boy West for that. That's my
Flying by.
homeboy.
Flying by is tough.
Every time he come here,
You just
from-
empty.
I guess
he
I'm
just
doing
just pop up. He just leave work and like I'm coming to Rochester.
I guess I
And
do
just buy
that.
stuff.
When
Yeah.
I'm going to
Go back
England,
to
I'm
the
then
whole
I'm packing
world.
anything. I'm
That's
buying
dope,
everything
though.
over
That's
there.
dope.
I'm
Yeah.
buying everything over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like when you travel with the least amount of stuff, that's when you have the most fun because you just have nothing. Like you
Yeah.
don't have the extra
You move.
baggage. You literally just out. I'm moving. I'm grooving.
That's true.
If I need this, I'm gonna go cop this
I've
real
also
quick. And then you
started
just
to
vibing.
take on a new
That's dope.
concept in my life where I'm trying not to have clothes and outfits and things dictate my fun that I'm gonna have somewhere or like ruin the experience for me or something. So for instance, I was in California. They were just like, oh, would you be interested to go to Napa? I'm just like, Napa? Did I bring over for Napa? I said, we have to replan that one. I don't know about that. And then I'm just like, why would I not go to Napa? Because I didn't bring the right outfit? Like, am I
Right.
stupid? So I'm just like, all right, let's go to Napa.
Yeah.
Of course. Like, even though I didn't have I wore dunks to Napa. Like, I didn't have anything. But I had a great time. You know, I'm really not trying to have clothes and stuff, like, dictate my life anymore. Like, you know.
That's free.
It's very free. I feel
sure.
a lot more free, you know?
That's
so
fire.
just put on let your personality speak for itself.
Yeah.
Really. You know, don't get crazy though now.
Yeah.
I'm not just gonna wear anything. But, you know, I don't want those things to like take over. Like, oh, I can't go out tomorrow because I didn't get a new outfit for this.
Yeah.
Or I can't go to see Mary J. Blige because I didn't get the boots with the with the
With the
jean
fur.
jacket. Or I didn't get the boots with the fur.
Yeah.
Like, so those things are just crazy.
Yeah.
You know? But
100%.
growing up in a Jamaican family, it's definitely all about the outfit. You gotta have a new this, new that, new that. I'm not trying to have this consume my life this summer. It's too
Yeah.
much. It's too much.
Because you're supposed to make the
It's
experience
too much.
better,
I
not
need to learn
dictate
how
the
to
experience.
rewear, restyle, you know, mix and match clothes. Like, you know, so
Yeah.
yeah.
100%.
So either way,
I feel that.
we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
tonight.
So wish us luck tonight.
What'd you say?
I said wish us luck tonight.
What's your what?
My
Wish us luck.
Oh, wish
I
you
heard
luck.
Wish us
I
I heard
luck.
something different. I heard
Wait,
something
wait,
different.
what did you guys think?
I heard something completely different. I'm not gonna
She
lie.
did
I
too.
did too.
Wait, what did you guys think I said?
I don't even know if I can say it.
Yeah, I can't say
I
it.
don't
But
even
you can
know.
say it.
Okay, I
I'll
can
agree
probably
with
say
you.
it.
Yeah.
Something to do with slut.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
heard.
I heard.
And I
what's-
was like, that's wild.
I heard. What's your slut tonight?
Because you
Oh,
said
that's what I
heard.
but you
Yeah,
said
that's
it
what I heard.
twice, so I wasn't sure what to say back. Like you've said it already, so I'm just like.
Yeah, and the second
I
it
said,
sounded more like it
hold
again.
on.
I was like,
I
so
was
what
like,
are we
oh,
really
she's
doing
dead
tonight?
ass.
Like I'm so confused.
I was like,
Like,
oh. Y'all being real direct. Like, this is nuts. What is this album party? Like, oh my god.
No, I don't even know what I'm signing up for. But I want to go.
I don't know what it is either. I was on a
Is
radio.
it like a fraternity?
It is. So I was on
It's lit.
I was on a radio station.
It's lit.
I posted something about where do people meet people in Rochester, and then somebody dropped in my DM and it was just like, come to this alpha party. Like we're having our alpha anniversary party, and I said,
Oh, you know what?
sure. And it's
I
at a
went
new event space actually. It's at a brand new event space.
I went to
Let
a
me see.
fraternity party way back when.
me see.
And I met this guy that I actually really like. But you know what bugged us up was because he lived in New York City and I lived here. And like I was actually pretty young when I actually met him. Like he was about to graduate college and I was like in the middle of my college,
This
degree.
is tough at that age for sure.
Exactly. So like trying to arrange like
Yeah.
setups to go see him in New York City and stuff like that. Like it just
Even though New York is so close, it's so far.
it is.
It's already so
It
hard trying to
is.
get people to do things here.
Yeah.
Let alone somebody live somewhere else and like
And like literally
It's
we
just
talked
too
on the
much.
phone every day. Like we did see each other more than just that one time, but it was hard. It was hard. And then like but to this day, like if I was to see him or like we'll slide up on each other's stories and stuff like that, but like it was hard, the distance thing, but it was a great time. Then we went out to like some after parties. They had like some frat parties at like the frat houses, and it was a great time. It was lit.
That's dope.
So, but it was a banquet that we went to. So like we got like dressed up and stuff first, and then we went changed to the party here.
Yeah,
it was fun.
I've never.
It was
had
out
any
in
entanglements with anybody
Utica.
of any-
It was out in Utica, in the middle of nowhere.
Like that, but-
Utica College.
I mean, it wasn't really a big thing when I was back in college. You know,
Oh,
there
did y'all
wasn't.
have
a-
fraternities on campus?
No.
Like I'm talking like
A lot of
Like-
Rochester
like in
was
Bronx,
Rochester
like
chapters, like,
even-
the whole
It was
city,
citywide.
We
citywide
had-
chapters.
We had a girl that was an AKA. We had.
Fisher didn't have none of that.
Ooh.
yeah, citywide.
Iota. We had a guy who was part of Iota's.
I didn't even know
And
what a
that was
sorority
it.
or fraternity
That was it.
I
But
mean, that culture is not as big
now
in
I went to the
upstate New York
BSU
as it
fashion
is,
show the other
like,
day.
down
Down
south.
south, yes.
Down
That's all this
And there's a
different.
lot of the
But
D9
U
on
of
campus now.
R,
I don't know if they're
U of R,
part of NAS,
they're
but
really big.
they're there now. Yeah.
They're really big on fraternities
You
and
said U of R?
sororities. Yes.
Like black.
Like they
fraternities?
have, yes. Yeah, they have like frat houses on campus.
I knew they had frat houses. I thought it was a lot of the non D9.
Yeah, that's what I
Frat
thought
houses.
it was.
D9
That's
has
what
houses on
If
U
I'm
of R?
not, if I'm not mistaken, they have a black fraternity.
That's dope.
It must
Maybe
be now,
maybe
'cause
not
that definitely
multiple,
was not a thing
but
when I was back in
yeah.
college. That was also God. We're talking.
But
yeah,
I'm pretty
graduated 22
sure
now.
when I was in school, I definitely went to like one of the
Mm-hmm.
black fraternity parties.
Okay.
Because it would just be like mad parties going on in one night. Like, and you would just go from house to house to house to house to house. Like,
Yeah,
just
at U of R.
lit. Yeah.
Good times.
Mm-hmm.
Life was much simpler then.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yes.
All right. Is there any other questions that?
I
anybody
think
wanna
that's
ask before we
it.
close out?
Yeah. We'll have to
minute.
have you guys come on another time. This was fun.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll
yeah,
definitely
absolutely.
For sure.
I'm
have to
around.
have you guys come on
I'm
another
around.
time. Yeah.
They said they wanted to pull up to the brunch, so we'll see. I'll figure it
Yeah.
out.
All
Oh yeah,
right.
for sure. We gonna hit a party together too. Y'all, you can get some footage from there. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Facts.
Oh, yeah.
We hit a party together.
Yeah.
I'll party with my boy right here. We gonna turn up. I know.
You don't know what
I
you're
see his
signing up
energy.
for.
Yeah, Jermaine.
Yeah, we
Jermaine
turn
likes
up.
to
He
have
said you
fun.
don't know what you're signing up for.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, I turn up with the best of them. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm different when I'm outside.
Yeah.
You basically trying to get me out of retirement, man.
Oh yeah, what's up? Yeah, for sure.
That's
He's not.
the,
He's
the
not,
whole point of
he's not in
nightlife is
retirement.
bring
You
you
got
back
you got to
outside.
come back and wear
He's-
number 45.
He's in some sort of fake retirement that
He
you
on
know,
sabbatical?
He's not. he likes to have fun still. Trust
Yeah.
me.
100% he does.
I can tell.
Everybody, I
Yes. Thank you.
Before we shout out to our guests, ladies, before gentlemen, we're gonna big shout out to Women History Month. Sandy, you were my shout out for Women History Month last
All
night. for women
right.
that inspired me.
Yes.
So I'm just letting you know
Thank
that.
you.
If you watch our Live Vibes episode from Friday night, you'll see
Thank
that.
you. I'll have to go watch.
Yeah.
It's so funny. I seen it today, and I was literally about to go and like watch it. So I must have
Yeah,
felt the energy.
You'll see that you were my.
Yeah.
They said, woman, which
Oh,
woman
thank you.
inspire you? And I'll tell you because you always working 24/7.
Yes, I'm actually going back to work. Right, I'm doing something right now with somebody. So.
See, I know how you get down. And yeah, again, shout out to our guests again.
Yo,
Yes,
thank you for
thank
having
you
us.
guys
Thank
for
you to
joining
Nightfly.
us.
Thank you to Tim
I
and
definitely
Jamil. Thank
enjoyed
you for
you
coming.
guys.
Yeah, and
You know?
again, guys, tell them where to find y'all on social media again and on the app. and
Yeah,
all
for
of that.
sure. So
Right now.
Instagram, you can follow us at Nightfly app. That's Nightfly. Fly has 2 Y's app. That's on Instagram, and then our app is on the App Store. Just search Nightfly, NIGHTFLYY. It's on the Apple App Store, so you can download the app and subscribe and all that. Get your perks, all that on there.
And again, when will it be available for Android users?
So we don't got a date.
In
but
the works.
We
In
gotta,
the works?
There's a sign up on the website. Go subscribe, and we'll send out some information once it's
All
ready.
right. Sad to say, guys, it's just an iPhone party, but moving forward. Yeah, big shouts out to our guests again for passing through. Shout out to our sponsors again. One Love Window Cleaning, D&K Catering, New York Styling, and Boogie the Barber, and Live Vice Production. And again,
Yes.
you don't know, we have the Friday night show every Friday at 9 p.m. until, and we back here again with Gallus and the Baddies from 2 p.m. until. And if you like the vibe, subscribe, and we about to close out the show.
Yeah.
We're
That
sending
was
some
good.
rhythm. Thank y'all.
That was good. Thank you guys.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Everybody, what you do?
Anybody want another shot? Y'all want the album party?
thanks for everybody that's tuning in. Again, we do ask you to like the video. And if you haven't yet, share with a friend, comment, and subscribe. This is your boy, Gallus J, representative Live by Stevie, right? Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and also Kick or Twitch. Okay. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sunday, watch them vibes here. What's up?
Rumor last night.
Somebody told me you ain't doing me right.
She wasn't doing me right.
While I've been turning my back, you've been playing the field.
She does playing the field.
Can you look me in the eyes and say to me it's not real?
Girl, that could not be real.
That's all I wanted to know.
Just wanna know, girl.
That look is giving you away.
Give it away, no.
And I never believe in a single word.
I never believe in that.
You're living dangerously.
Woman, you're living too dangerous for me.
You're living dangerously.
Is it me, you're rent and leaving?
You're living dangerously.
Girl, you're living too dangerous for me.
What you do?
Girl, you're living too dangerous. Boy, better if you give it up. Girl, you never stop until you pass the maximum line. Well, don't you do too much? I need a relationship and not a war. Imagine this woman in a man car. Tell me what the hell you gonna think of her. She a man a drink out of one glass in a bar. Make man a rub things from me cookie jar. Girl, open up your eyes, the man look far. As I look up to the moon and the pretty stars, thinking me out like I am in Mars.
Well, that's all I can see. You made you out of my sight.
Out of my sight.
And I won't go less in your life for one more night.
Not a second.
You're living dangerously.
Girl, you're living too dangerous for me.
If you got a lover in your life, then why you acting like you don't know? You know, say now easy be the man we make you shine all night. If you got a lover who can give you the charge when you're low. Tell me what's the reason why you steady blowing off my line? Trying to make you feel blessed. Give you daily blessings. Tonight, nothing serious, so we just one flex. God, bad man confessing. Girl, I wanna talk about the things that we go through, so charm. Make me jam, oh yeah. Come into my life, oh baby, come on, baby, make me jam. Oh, mommy, make me jam, oh yeah. Come into my life, oh baby, come on, baby, make me jam. Energy, girl, I'm loving your energy, yeah. Loving your energy, girl, loving your energy. She run a race for me, cut with the medal, no penalty. Darling, loving your energy, Africa woman. This I loving how you want, you never let me go. Look around the world and you find no love. Anytime we done, blowing on phone, coming like a zinc crest, I'm on down low. This I loving how you need, deep in your soul. I know you would have me give you full control. Still I beg you do not fall, hold on to my love. The reason you never got to wait no more. Trying to make you feel blessed, trying to make you feel blessed. Serious, so we just one fit. Go bad man, go. Girl, I wanna tell about it. I want me, jam, yo.